Gichokeria kiu karibuni sana kiri mubango jojo wa rumuri rwa siasa na nkethwa nkene kirageni bakwa kanya bakukethie bumenye nibo bao then twithiro tugite na mbere karibuni sana tabiria we bwana wakili kethia miru
ibwaga miru wa gwetu inkuga ibwaga ni opportunity je ni nkubukethia mpambirie na kuga happy Mother's Day kiba mami betu arochia betu bara bena na inye kuru betu no to ni ba mami batwana twetu so happy Mother's Day na ingwitikia tukomba kwaraniria na miru bwega. Thank you.
Karibu sana.
Okay, bwega. Antuma Miru TV kethekeni ibwaga no ntubwache upe kutonera kanya na timu yaku ugoroba naro uja kukaume na Miru na kutegera manzera twitite na mbere. It's been a minute lakini I'm back. Ibwaga no nsobo kuthoranga yo twakanya kau kinyanire mantu mwanya na ngai atwa moyo jwa narua na yukushokia nkatho because ti kawaida tugaga ni ontukotona tugashokia ngai nkatho na no mutumbo tumbithia tukinyara turi ngwitikia mathaja tugatwina bo na intushokia nkatho muno ntubara opportunity mobango jujo goro naru. We don't take it for granted. We always a pleasure kithira muntu nakuthikirite for ya mathayo jonte na gatwa response chawe. It means that ibendete mobango jo ni ibenda kumenya Miru ra kuitite na mbere na ibwaga no ntubwa nya platform. Nimeshukuru sana kujiga tukatuna engagement yenjaga kutaikorathire mantu zetite na mbere. Thank you. Yeah.
Haya mutegerio Miru TV ntogera kana tauro kumba kithiro gicibirwo twina wakili Vincent Kiogora no ro kuromba gitikia MP rutere rwa Bure na twina Eric Akimathi no ni political analyst atukomba kitha tukiaraniria hivyo kuigwa twina the right people for the right discussion. Kwa hivyo karibuni sana ndani ya mtambo yuni kenda tutana mbele kitha tukiaraniria katambiri na county na nationals kana mantu yale yako karika ndene ya thirikari nene tugichoka aja county ni ya Miru tuambiriri na mantu jegie mbeca kwina mbeca nyingi sana tukuonekana around 7.3 billion ile kwerekanisi jukite kuma kirikite kia fuel levy ne komba kuduregi kwa rutere ne rungi nonto kuringana nayo ire rwa mbeca ciekiri kana cia tengi kuduro ikiukiria mirandi ire ikwa mite ya mabarabara na mantu tajau lakini mbeca ni jukite tukure ya contractors barabara contract ya kwithira bakiria kana bakivivia Nairobi Mau Summit Road ila president wirite no ntoba contract ya kwithirwa terminatwa illegally na kwa hivyo no mwaka pa compensate of course no tutathingatire sheria na mbeca ina ndiko tuika instant ya yokiri barabara cia Kenya ila ipamite contractors ibo bageta na mbeca ino tingo giriti babu kali atongeria na kiri maoni jenu bomba kuthabuki comment ya kana opinion yenu bomba kuthabuki ugate tambiri na wakili
Wega kintu kia mbere before President Uhuru atiro uma ile agreement yetonyerwe kenda French company ja kwa Mau Summit. Menjete Ruto agochoka atamini agotonya ataminate that contract. Na age contract kuina consequences of illegal termination of contract. Kutengo geitikete 7 billion ichietete. Ke 7 billion iji, I think the best approach could be thirikari itambecha, executive itambecha, chitete sanctioned by the National Assembly. Nonto ukeja kutegera budget making process either wani National Assembly. So babati gweta mbere bakamba ku request the National Assembly beke mbeche iji batenge ikenda chieja korea lakini ukonania ara turi ugategera njire mbeche ire atengeri by the agreement ire na RPP nini eje private public nini arrangement. I think a French company itete mbeche ugekeja yake ugategera ukona at that point no kuona mbere iturusite 7 billion from a company imbecha chiringi 7 billion chikaja kuinject inyata Miru County omba kuona change within few months ukona kuina something which is moving around. So anto bareta tukagura maguta tukarea ogoti chiringi 25 25
For fuel levy, yes.
Yes.
Road maintenance.
Okay, iturea chiringi 25 per liter. Mbechi utukurea no tuchieta gutumirika kuthithinya maintenance ya njira ta thayo keja kuma Mwea Monka Chuka njira yu ni irathukire. Ugetha njira itithithua ende no ntubwa kwithira antu iba kwenda kuona share kira bakonera ki deals ichi ugetha na ndiba kuthithia mantu ta jamota which is very unlikely. What I think should happen if people to move very fast in court kwanja kurungamia kunenkanira mbechi yu nontu atugetikiria le meya jenderea gwitika kukarika Kenya. Kenya nwije tutirisa budget nini tutiona mbecha through other process through taxes. Ugategera ndiguru takatal mbechi ira nyinge chiriuma through their natural resources. Matu tutina minerals. Na ina minerals yu ira tuina chiori gwachi kujima deals cha kudithu. So ato benefit from our sweat tax itukurewa ni unkuga na to condemn tuge. That is not the best nini way to approach something which should have been talked in the parliament bagekira ke budget tukamenya ibwega.
Okay, thank you so much.
Yes.
Akukire mantu jambere tutareta kabisa.
Ni kankuga quite sudden mantu zaraja kwa happen ndiguru yetu nayo. Nonto izi biashara manya thina ya kuthura kwina government ke bati kuthura kendera regardless whether naru ko change executive itibati kurukama.
Yes.
Na no ntuboko thura kwina wakiri akwira nonto CEO ratu inona nde ana uratu thatu nawe pedro bari na immunity ya kuthura tigambithio thaizi and omba kuthithio kwenda but igitare kakinya once indomba igitare kinye nonto there is no way contract neza nire na nyeketho neza nire igitare na ina nirwa na kwerekana gega kwa even if kwari ku improve on areas ira wathukana ya contractor ro kwenda kwa nandi that can be done later as long as bawe baitire ngugi ya wire particular gitarira lakini on twa cuts ira tutaga no mwanka mo imbinkono igaja kuthorora na jukire shewe manya ndire contracts ya ndiro na kuna transaction yetere manya most of the contracts yetu that tunachon thikoronege they are more of transactional that kuikionda cheupe ndono kena kwa tenda fulani kana with a certain percentage na hizi ni tumite ndikuru yetu ithorere antu athuku muno neri to muno kiungumithania na ikithoro na ndinya investors itukuga PPP kana investors kuja ku investment. For example, there was a time in refinery enda wako naja mbechira betaia na ndinya muone akorera ndire ambijite kutethia kana ukuria ndiguru lakini the government officials bagwitia mbecha na nwije mantu jacho ndeja tu kiongo gikeja ukithoro tikaribwaga I think imbonaga jakanio the problem ikeja kwithoro sakil mbecha ikuturwa nya cheupe utokuweza muchara wako utumba kwa jana muchara yo kucho kuthinda thaizi wa mwaumara o mera wa mbobo banga kunenkanira but na ndi muskumo jo kuthuro inkwenda kunenkanira na inkuona nyina ndikitha uju na kunenkanira there is also push yeuni as junior officer nyani nchwakira nkakari yake munene the only thing to do is that now use the corrupt means ya kuchaka resources ichi but ugorobo narwa ikuona ni ya rwariria 7 billion ne gwaka Nithi Bridge.
Yes.
Is a budget ya gwaka Nithi Bridge complete.
Yes.
Na ndi tukunenganira 7 billion itiri kinya kilomita ya barabara ku ni thirikari kwithirwa either kaina muchetho na mbecha cha kana ikaja gutokwe take responsibility kana kuigwa murimo jo shiringi ya wana wa batu tugwita ushuru kana Kenya bagwita ushuru no ndo mbecha tichi yaku ugo ithugani regardless as long as mimi nitapata kitu pale inyanto ka cancel ikenda ugo benefit manzoja thoki mono na ikieto mioko na nyatha hizi onande twina radu nya tukolera ria muntu wengiro mwito neza na no ndo kuthuro ya kiburi mtu na ndo nakwenda guthinya biashara akamwa uwo na arua ugaiteu nyeni anchora ngaitaku tuketha twi costs unnecessary but ntukuiria tukona mutongeria ukutumira sheria no kwathikira sheria nthiguru yetu itithore na thina cheupe nthiguru yetu itongi muno na ngai atutharimite sana ukambire ukaumara cheupe ire uja gwitikia antu be na thina ome but for us as a country ngai na atutharimite na thina ni atongire bene but makosa jara jonda jothe twinaro unimbonaga ni abunge bara twathurire Mheshimiwa Nkuga na kwenda gwita bunge lakini bunge la twinayo nandi this is the worst member of parliament twathura nontu batiura ebiuria but imagine batiura kiuria bationa bubuiro ka botune antukembere umire aja kiuga babu tutekonda jaja na bo batekona jana as long as mtu anapata kati yake agitaira but I hope that going forward in 2027 change kana kibokera antu baba karingwa at least the next probably generation irekethora i parliament next or the 13 or 14 parliament ikethora iteka responsibility because mandu za zonde ija bunge nontu ibo tobaetete oversight nontu mwananchi atumba nya twandamana na ndiri na 7 billion nikolewa to ichitere na tukariria ate but bottom line atongere batu kuthura itubati ku rethink because this country is being wasted ni atongeria na miru nabo nyabo aringi kure nyabo mbona jinya bagwitia bena makosa onareto kuga atongeria menya atongeria is a reflection of society rekari but I think to run from au kanyuma muntu thayo tutuna thina muntu fulani ko inyiri tunarori but bottom line we also need to rethink about parato kuthura as a representative especially the national assembly
okay
atia mpongere kinini au atigera uga tubati ku rethink kibarato tuthura be atongeria kuma 2022 mwaka 2026 mwamberio wananchi barathori ni abunge baratu enabo lakini as things continue na inko the ground ina inko there is a shift to love those people who are in those positions so atwetete guchoka makosa no ja uturi nonto ananchi barambererio gwikirwo mutu bagaikirwo magana jairi na ndira ayo rethera barabareo batikwenda kumenya ibo bakwinirwa so twetete okairio mathina ne ojara twina jo there will be a continuity ya mathina jajetu na tutuleo as young people na inkona ora twino tha ina onwi ya young people na inya we will continue telling them benda gutonya thina na batonye lakini ukwera murungu at least ndabera atiri amubunge oheturi oversight ya 7 billion na aru abati ku make noise ariura ya 7 billion ichi nenge kweja gwetu nyanka nenkerwa nkongero nya million 20 KCDF county government ya Meru kanenkerwa like 200 million twithira tukinyite aliko termination yejele no a sanction ile termination ya contract yeje endi wananchi nkona ni to thithia meya especially kwe mtu ugire batu antu bara bathomi itutwija tukakampenera antu bara bai tuketa kwira aciari betu batonya tukambiria kuga tutikona ngugi tukuga tutikona giki na giki so antu ba bete bathomi tafadharini magana jaire jabo nengero bukambiria kwenda kuendia democratic right ya kututigane ninio na tukathiga makosa Jerry trust me arantegerete imbonete kwi makosa jagathithika jama nene Meru mbuga other communities be ready for change Meru tutirethira twi ready for change no twitwendere biubie tunkuruki akili
then natwa ketha batire ready for change wakili ukia kwithirwo othai no gwitoka igwentereti ndantu ibakurira ibakuwa mtu fulani ora erikiwa thai yaka uti mtu wananchi batena thina noe ethera ni MC ethera ni MP ethera ni senator governor wote but then imbie gatuma antu baba ria guchange because iba kumenya bongo mwankira thai wachoki mturora kweja thina last time ukiendelea kule thina wero raria na this time round itakuwa double
kako onka nchini akarira turarira gacoka gekirwo tam
Akakorirwa.
gakambiria kutheka au ni oturi au ni onkona as a society in Meru ni aturakinyeria kairi abunge bara to demonstrator 2024 na mwonka bamobaja ba anto bakua itoambiritie thai kwambiria ko worship. I'm seeing it in groups, I'm seeing it in social media, I'm seeing it in the villages. Inkuigu anto bare ambiria kusifu abunge baba betu. Personally tanara mpumite buri mubunge wetu nte amona thai na ambiritie kwija ukona na kuthithia some effort iria aringi kukethera na ambiriria mwambirio baringi bena connection because you represent the will of the people.
Yes.
Tinya they represent the people in the will of the people. So you should be always connected to the people. Lero nere opportunity kwa mubunge twamba gukara monka na ara miaka ena thai rio wijite rira turarira na ndi turira thai no irite agatamu kanini otwikira kanyo twambiria kwambiria kutheka kana twambiria ogwirwa. So niankwire na very soon nyabo athithia opinion pool tienu bukona ende mwananchi wa Meru amboire democracy ni kiombirwe imakosa jara twathithirie 2022 twakondo opportunity ekwija kurekebisha ende twendelea guchitonyithia kirinyene baraba twinabo abunge betu twara ya parliament. So it means in their duty of registrate nini kuthithia nini sheria kana oversight utwethera rithitha ya oversight case nini duty ucio ijiri ukethera nandi tuli au. We don't hear our MPs talk. We can never know even how they talk. Personally, nyambejeta kumenya sauti ya mubunge wetu. Egoro yondera igawari celebrate manase si egoro nkaigwa. So we can even make noise. Lakini whether parliament you don't feel them. So neonkuga please mwananchi wa Meru. Endere ni ukara maruru jau tutwire ajo kuma 2022 monkaja kutiki ntunkona kiomba kwithira keso substantial kiomba gutuma tuka divert from maruru jau turare ajo twithira tukanini.
Okay. Lakini tukiuri no kuurie kiuri nkoria atire kuringana na jo yonde bwaria MPs bate kwaria no kutha kwina some other factors maybe iratio tuma bare yakwaria because Kenya na ndini thukite nukuigua uri aria thindi nyowe kwaku unasikia maneno mengine wale social media maneno mengine no kutha kwina some other factors maybe cio tuma antu babethera bakirina batikwaria maybe beterete 2027 ikinyo something
abunge betu bange batiara utiga baboino bare aria didinyoro utiga wale aria sifuna utiga wale aria nikijate mokarikaira. You are given a constitutional responsibility to represent the people.
Okay.
At the house, you should always talk about the issue affecting Meru. At the house, you should always talk the issue affecting young people. And whether now o te arayari o tiugaga no nombi imbiomba kwethera ikioge otoma kego prevent. What imbio omba kwethera ogo we umpete opportunity ya kweta go represent bederango kira. Tonga kurea ikureba kurea tu bakanyira yabanyiri obvious.
Only ki add on something. To Karamono, we have analyzed siasa Meru. Na izi jite ikaram Meru abagitete kana Kenyans abagitete gamba that njogu tidi kona bibongo. Ugo ize to tagunekira wena kiono ntono mwanka but baize kura baize. I'm very positive. Ondonaro ndatinda ntomwe. Onito diuronka deigwa keze tuge tore kirago tunenkera etite muntu isi Kenyans Ameru bajire kurealize maganazairi jaba nenkera kwa maganazairi jaba nenkairo ijo chiendia nonto mochiari echo kanjana ndia kethro bill hbitari nikole makuleka mwana na gwitwa fee school no kuthija comparative kamenya uragwa karo previously ukona mwana campus etre but capitation ira to aja watu itekana rondo to aja wa izo achari to get na ndiga kuna ega uchokera kwa kunjo kona nandi enyewe as long as nyakondelea kula kunkula badenira nene ningotiko nayo noro nenkere magana zaire for example tugaga kaire mheshimiwa narua nandi eja to bangera inine atonengira magana zaire ugono ku expect mheshimiwa ja waka barabara akara fuere levy yonde akara yonde. And I'll tell you why even MPs now they are not talking. Umule kiure kikiaga muno. Anguire utote na file wendoku. I think at least almost 30% CDF na fuel levy imukone jwao. Na okoru na ndiri bauga patrons by the control irebe da bena yombe seneu ikito mbona batenda kumakigina kiu. The other day mubunge umwete mono aruga akonia PCDP akwera ngiri 35 ona every month. Lakini kwaona waka ngoroba. Na wetite ma 5 hai ngari nene. Kai kuma na mbeza. It tells you uti mubunge kumba kuga da hizi. Nonto iba kubenya file chao rikari. Nei wetere kujiet. Ngokwera abunge baba tuwinyari batira president Nyambi. Secondly, we also made a problem as a community with a coalition to tina umbrella. One thing that is if you look at Kigitariato area Meru own party. Na amkwira Meru bakorirua kana bakachia areas ya tribal. Because if you look at ora Toringa Kura kunonto bakudora na tumite na interest yetu ibati kwa capped. Ikieto miogona mtu kujokora anti ni akabira. No, issues chetu as a community different from other communities. Na they can be handled differently with an umbrella. The makosa yetu weteri kutonya Kenya whatever Kenya code Kenya kwanza. No tunande utomba Korea no the issues chia discipline chia political parties ugeta against the political parties mubunge wengo na gwengo kamitine na inoto bia turi na inoba witia mbecha na ndio kuona other than ugo kuita against the parties ile wikite Korea na ndike thote mwananchi wikitie ikaraja kana ndiza number kana vehicle kana party ile wikitie na party leader na wate question na the current party leaders bara tongeria na ndi itogere kairia jojo. Most of the political parties, I'm a member of a political party. I used to run a member of a political party. But I realized it's easier to be or narrate or tongeria na come advocate for things. It's also very important to be on a political party. Especially that time, igitari ugomba kudorena ukidorena kanya kaku kuariria rwari Meru tukota kia makira kia riku as a political. Wa compare sin seria to area bus, the original bus. Na members bara to area that time Kenyatta na tuiga gwo muno na igeto minyeto ari na ito no tongeria ria Uhuru Kenyatta ari mutongeria na kia makia bus kina itongeri tu ikireito kiria enderia na ala enderia apakire meagetere apaka nto amwe atika member barabarene dande that time we had a strength, a bargaining power. Negiti nyeri Korea thina chia barabara itona iro barabara actually barabara chitrongo ge mono igitari since then iro ona tona tuna bypasses nyingi na itona project nyingi kuthithwa but non tito area voice ito area na mtu ito area party an umbrella ego negotiate nyingi to mtu area na appointment ira nyingi na benefit ira nyingi choma kana ya thirikari kinya kuthukiro guku kutaingiza na ndura kwithingi ino ntu thaiu munene aringuo Amiro bena kura mangana mugwanza na nakwenda kuita gutarwa next generation a commander machinery chiawe igeta kuthikira tongereja bau lakini ande we lost because twatonyere no ntoba kuthura no ntoba emotions na maruru ikeja kuthurwa o kya maginya kiki kuna nde kwina area mono Meru itinyaramia kilomita 1 na atongere bo ba supporter the then deputy president. Why since then mwankana nde miaka 3 barabara itakinya kwao na ba supporter the person rogo atikuthithia ngoge. Ko it tells you once we are in a government without a structured way itomera waku na twamerwa muntu ako si wakiri mtu kwa ko utigwa atirikana wakiri kana karikana cheupe no cheupe na kuringire tuma nala ko ageta na cheupe agitata akuringire tuma na kuringira ntupa ko we missed a lot in terms of how we joined the government na in terms of how batwe as a community tumbere ko negotiate ko bottom line ngichokia kiuriga ku lack of political party kana own yetu as a community neko disadvantage mono in terms of how now our voice is heard, our issues are being articulated in the members baba na two, having selfish readers who don't want to support one another because there are caucus in a structures onto atongere babo ndeto tarete mero as a community kila mtu ito na ni kila mtu anajitakia kivyake. They are very selfish. Kito miyoko ni nyaka ukazira chiao itiomba kudhura china force kana china inya na it's quite unfortunate taiji tukuga tuinatongeria whereas since kuidhukira kwa antobeto naja batomba kudhura bagita statements kudhura chirio onari tukuro tuina munini o raisi na umite gwetu ko it tells you either they are powerless kana batikwenda ku review no ntuba kudhura bena mto na fire ewe ile antu amwe okira Subaru chivinga tana kwawe na ntuko itikuraja tukamenya no ntu naku kagita igakinyi jo mheshimiwa wakili uga that Ameru kana Kenya baithurire atongere bara bakuthuganya bobongwa babatethia in 2027.
Okay, thank you so much.
Yes.
Bandu turu tereno rudu ambesha kuna 8 billion sia fuel, the same fuel. Kuna fuel era yeri ni kinyete Kenya substandard kana toxic kinyekiri health ya wa Kenya na tuona kinya CS wa mantuja energy opio atiumiri na wa nini wekurungamwa consignment ujejite na maguta ja wekurungamwa na rita orders but it happens that orders rita thingatirwe consignment ira netre na mbere na yekiro ki system na thai antu iba kunyuma maguta ya tisa wasawa provided kinyekethera ina health issues lakini still thirikari nionere kwagirite irete maguta jo kire antu bendeleo consume maguta jara maguta ja jariro yari ya around 8 billion. So now kiurikira tukuri ni atiri why would the whole CS omba kuthira kirita orders cia kuwa mantu jaja ketha na kumenya ntu bora butithithika kana pengine ka kwari na antu very powerful but involved na delays maguta such that uwepo ake butukumba kuthira bukinyanira kana what is not happening because wananchi very roho bakira kana yari ku manage public tubukira no ntu maguta yako hapo
mbele ankuire maguta oteo jato those were days.
Okay.
Antu baraba approve maguta ya Kenya ija approve to na jatumika njirenya wanka PSI involved ende non to bwa G to G eji kwethera baraba kona deals from G to G batiko benefit ili onere bali fighting a big force ko prevent maguta ja chatega tonye Kenya. The intention of PSU na Ministry of Energy was to caution Kenya maguta jatiga iteka na tuketha tutina shortage ya maguta. That was the intention.
Yes.
Pako didio maguta jo Kenya the president probably are informed maguta ija kinyere na jati under G to G arrangement. Tutelero maguta jo imbija thuki. Atwelero aki jatirari under the agreement ira twikirite. Akina ndoko ri atiri kutina agreement lakini aja the effort was to caution na committee ekara na serious people senior government officers ku accept maguta jaja Kenya cho Kenya kwethera na ndethera gwigantu gatonya account ine cia antu baba nene ciethero tikio kya kara tonya mweri ju irabokoria what is happening bakero kwe maguta jange jejero is another arrangement which is away from G to G arrangement.
Yes.
Otegera after 2 weeks kwirot opio minister CS uo ni nio energy araugire concentration ya maguta jaje na concentration ya little sulfur jetikirwe maguta jaku nini ikimikwere kumbe ke sulfur nkoroke nini ke maguta imbe nkoroke sulfur concentration so ikumaanisha abende inyaja arrangement yu bando beja na jeja G2G kenda bendere yako benefit to the disadvantage ya mwananchi. Mwananchi endelea kusafa. Mwananchi akinyerwa maguta ngiri magana jairi. Mwananchi akinyerwa kwithira ari mwinya uti petrol station kwetake petrol station like last week ndirona kwina shortage. So government ikweja realize na let me tell you nikibate monkatha ya nto bate aditango.
That's the question.
Because if the government felt that anto baba ibatithetie makosa ja manene na before they make that pronouncement babati kwithira anto baba gwatirwe mandi bethira beko tini bari chanjawa na criminal offenses bagwatirwe by compelled ku resign nonto ibaregere ku serve their masters but serve the interest of Kenya. Au ni auto kinyete as a nation that rather than people bethira bari serve the interest of the Kenyans people to serve one master, which is so bad for a republic.
Yes.
Nonto tuti progress. Okay, ja gutegera maguta jau uthikirite no kana rais mbaiga wajejete kwithira mbeche maguta ikinyete indi compared taja tukugura thai. Ukethira nande bati ku appreciate the fact that maguta ja inyethira tu ina G2G ikuthukire ndwani njire menya these are extraordinary times. Lira kuthukire gwaku ku adjustment mtu athithaia. Na ndi those adjustment ni antu bara bakwerewa. The PSO is very educated. Athithetie manka masters na manto jauja fuel nini nini. Ukethira we ageraia ku caution Kenyans. Lakini those people in power bana ne kibo bethira ba kwa sidelined kana bandi na kuona kantu karabona ki G2G. Na nyati G2G nonturi G is a government. G enare Saudi Arabia. G egwetu ti Saudi Arabia. Igo gashagwa ruga ti Kenya. Agoga ti Kenya ekuthithia maguta jaja it's private companies. No kaigwa one of our nini mtu wetu aja wetu Njogu is part of these private companies. Yes. Na kira kianthuririe buruna ndiki arrangement yeji. Rira maguta ja kashagwa ashotire aruga Njogu involved. Ile MP betu bejire a statement for the first time dona a written statement MP bakarite ndi bari arairia bariuga mtu wetu no agwatwako. Rira tukuragwa na aru atecho inderega wibara uragene.
Yes.
Ote MP otwe nobody talks. Kinyare aringe koraga ni ndonere rindikire uma mubunge wetu uma ka statement kaandikithi mone mtuko atumiri no WhatsApp athoma lakini ntukweje ibombere ukarande bamba kwandika statement kinene go condemn iri okuria na ndiri uka condemn mtu individual mono ntu withero retega interest cha mwananchi wonde ntu Njogu ethera na ko benefit buga na mbecha kia maguta na area what about the mwamiru uria kuria maguta ja maingi ja mbecha nyingi akethera nonto ethera rere aga 150 thaya rere makana jairi ukethera thai menya maguta jabati kuya ja around 250 250 shillings. In government did some subsidy. Arrangement subsidy probably na bar reduce yeta VAT on fuel oya na ndinya government ekolose lakini kethera to adithiri arrangement era for sure I can tell you maguta jaringe jait at a lower cost. Yes.
Okay. Banarik kire the same kinya CS wa trade Kenya Jui na raumire kinya naomba kuthura aki defend sana maguta za kuroja na sulfuric ye concentrated in sulfuric maguta za ija kuwa yari na thina kire health sianto especially ababa utumira na ngari no tutagwa ibaba utumira ngari no tu either we utatumia hata kama haura utapanda. Yes, na kwina pollution yu yonde na raugire eti antu batige kuringa gituma na manto ja nonto antu bedrete by consume out ja for the longest time. Our last year ilo barejire kinya bareta maguta ja mega yena sulfuric kidogo. The cleaner maguta jati more concentrated. So our take antu bedrete batutumira maguta ja batumerite from I don't know when, but last year bararete na maguta ya mega. So now that thirikari ni kwenda maguta nini echoka ande bakawa gutena thina inya bakarete na maguta jono ntu maguta baturite gutumira. Now you wonder okay if kethira ibuko kariu then mwananchi wa kawaida ri inautigwa because antu ba ibatukwirigira ibo bagapatere kuthaba getera mwananchi wa kawaida ibo batere kuthaba ibera bibite buna bibi bugi ntu baba na that power. Then what happens to the common mwananchi?
Mantuzajo niturondere incidents chia gweta kuthia search kuita antu nyomba chiao kukamata imbalances chiao chia account na mbi kukamata mbechere chi nyomba i tabia ituire kambuge imo mtu rarire tabia munene in short that kuikawa kuthera kuina basetete in a way that no mwanka intobia munene batipati kuringuthu mtungi batirira intobia munene byaringithirwe ni othinere jire I deal tu jau wakili akuga chiratumire mantu jajo onde chanderea it's true we tried to kuona there was a shortage na mantu jajo onde jara actually jara to kiri security council we also saw that it was approved that non to bakudhura kuina shortage umba kuja kuoneka but how tumba ku caution Kenyans na mantu zadira jonda jomba kuleto but nande dilire ikunenkerwa barawa nenkerwe bedri bobane betirie katire na katire kinyira ofisi ku na ndio ni othi ni iraumirire na tire mbere actually nyawa babo konde bembichene kuoneka ni bari na deals chitabui dikana nyakore gitare ya Uhuru the CEO Kenya Pipeline na urawari kuten was in charge na ariago suspendwa rita president jamo amwango ke the current president kone antu baije kudita to deeds na aja ko yari plan ya kuona kiraba kona but bia monene bititongawa na bigatongo thina no mwanka kuthokona ikieto myokona story chonde utoge ikunya ndene either someone ambassador somewhere ongeaga point to high levels che nyingi na kuja kuga maguta ja itu jatumirite then diete on the baratone team few mieri mweri jutitiri sign shows ila tuitaga kuita kutoeberia kwa divert attention cha what really the real issue is the G2G is not really working, it's not benefiting anyone, it's benefiting antobakai na ikeja kuthira kuri na nora tumba numenye chaupe thinera twina miro yora irorera twathiririe system ya ndiguru for example national ile kwire yora iroburu ampugeni season iji because I've been in petroleum industry for some time mandreje jite kuonekana miaka itikuraja no the moment wathirie national corporation chathira chathukwa no tunandi there is no way ombera G2G whereas now the country of course tuge country ingi kugurana kai kureta maguta but bao bakugura bao bakureceive they are private invest oromba ku control maguta the other day to Kenya Power Distribution Rain share udani retira na Uganda in control ko kira thina katuge miaka wi kanyuma tukorea kuthira kwena infrastructure njoga ya ndiguru ya Kenya ya kutumira kusambaza maguta, kusambaza gas na kusambaza oil petroleum. Ria thirikari yerekererie National Oil Corporation idira na thirikari etikiria now Kenya Pipeline we are giving it out to Antobangi. Our refinery also is dead. Nandi kumariu on the boy interest chia mbeja chia haraka. Mbeja chia haraka ate maute choche doje na mbeja chia haraka. Especially period ya kuringa campaign either maguta either mpempe either sukari kana serious yu icho atongere betu barato kuthura ibo batumaira imbe chiao cha kuringa campaign na incorrect mono non to patwe ikarajaga tutithoma mandu ya kuendelea non to bantu baba igeto mgugani mwaka juju election ile keja ikeja kutha bakari ngo kiboko I think na baka gitro tamu yao menya there is kifua mudafanya nini bwana there is no way bombo mbitini na kindi na resource na ndina kila kitu ko kana mbunge akalinga kifua that uni ngabo bangachia kwangura ikeja kuthura tugetekaniria as a country that tuchokerie ruji amotarone jurajo hariku to ensure that people are disciplined in terms of utilization of resources, then tuko na manto mega. Lakini cheupe tha iji chionde diversionary tactics cha thirikari kugeria kugwatira na ene thirikari je beje kutubanga wanajua kutupanga na wanatupanga tunapangika ontore kedha itokuirwa anto beyo bare betikiri itokuirwa there was a cabinet, there was a security council approval, there was a communication area na company Oryx na company ingie baroga kureta maguta zaza na bare ta testing bona uko na iri guru na betikiri maguta jero bejekiro ki system. All of a sudden utuko ando mambire kugwato nonto uko na thirikari tuna thirikari maajabu muno, but anyway i reflection tukire batwe sisi kupiga kura na hasira, kuringa kura na maruru, kuringa kura nonto bakuthura mtu wetu, mtu gakuonerwa ikana gankea. These are things we need also to rethink as a community. Yes.
On ati ankwire mbuge one aspect that to tegera ni aspect maguta jara ya pia concentration offer to the environment. Si ukaja tegera key principles ira chiseti che environment kuigento ke to polluter pays principle na hinge ke to sustainable development that man to kinto bito kudidya to be menyere for future generation bitikeja kwa mwinya future generation into bi okayona ndem non to self keja inge okambiria to kuiwa to reko inya compound by international ni bodies that Kenya pollution inge yi to ka compound kwithira either turi ndiguru ingi kukaiwa turi some nini penalties non to there is a principle which is known as polluter pays nini, lakini in terms of our health Kenya ina challenge nyingi tha hiyo tegera the health system it's not working. People bali jata na aja meru to no ejo kethera betite meru general kethera mtu ena cancer kutina the equipment which are required ku treat nini kama kemo badida irwa kana dialysis okera nande. Apart from kwethera twina cancer nyingi twina diabetes nyingi tujite nande kwambiria kwethera twina respiratory diseases nyingi twithire nande antu ibaragwatirwa ni asima baba ingi wethera nande you are creating a problem because no kwenda kukurea yani mtu mwethera aga create a wide spread risk to Kenyans non to chiringi kidogo na bena chio non to for them kebo bonde to kuga to mention au bonde they are rich people, they are wealthy people. So ito bati kwethera to very cautious on au to diria mantu jamwe deal simu icha kureta rana Kenya to kethera to kaethera miaka ingi o 50 bere nyamwe uyuma antu ibarambiriria kwethera at risk okethera eni ngotegera nkona tu the system is so set that antu hapa bati kukujanga ni unkona the system ore set nonto okethera thine ira chirio kaigwa ndithoma tulithoma rira twi nini twera life nini life yetu expectancy Kenya ile around 70 na hiyo gategera inyoka gugu hapa 55 years so a duration of 20 years it inamite from 70 to 55 so the country is so set antu bakujange tumeo
na ndio bakujanga then what happens
uga Africa to tije to gachiara bange to it's an issue ona ona ntuko ya America monjesho wa kora the effort which they made
yes
kumuchwa yani ba suspend everything they were doing kuchwa mtomwe thai beto be Russia abakora kwa but no effort is being done ndonere CS wa foreign affairs ariuga tutina mbere cha kubagira ndamwe Kenya yes thai tugwita tukabomora chibitari turiuga tugakiro within a period of 1 year okethera inya ondira chia chiario chia bomorerwe antu batikona bakomama antu gotikyo bakomama and everything is comfortable ki leadership yetu that is how ukona antu ba planet nini thai ukenda kurugura business ile ka successful thai Kenya kana Meru imochari yes yes trust me because people are dying because of negligence ukona kuna a lot of negligence ki sector chionde ukona tu na leta Meru general nini 1 year trikari and hand over to the national government and I have a very big fight with both the county government and the national government beta ba bomora ondira chiatwire chionde inari equipment chieta nyomba ira chiekiri chia bomora chionde biko store pa promise it within 1 year tokera tuko elevate chibitari eyo ma kuma level 5 yeta referral hospital monka thai imarinya chenji ugo none report iriona ni ekuru bari mama ekuru bana bachiari twana bakamama gitandene kimwe bara bagwita kuthithirwa service bakuiga wa service crucial kana sensitive ukethira bonthe batikuona mari nontu nyomba ichi abomorero so uga imbianto bakwenda imbie preventre county government lira tunenkani twandira over age tumejukia tuga chibitari ingire around nini to chia elevate chia level 5 tukamata equipment utwike tikabe nyonyo ketia governor's office ukamethio a temporary hospital ithira ni ego serve wananchi mbere tutirakirwa aria cause we need life
kulingana na rango kuhata wakili urenda kumaanisha like now that level 5 ni nenkanire ku elevator kintu kira kiabatere ku elevator kire kiambere level 5 ingi
level 4 ingi itangi ya level 5
yes
kana bauga fresh level 5 yetu ikaria tutiake tu ina show ground yaka tutiake nya level nini ingi ya upya
etete kisolo
inya itetekete so long no let me ask you itetekete so long ndironere governor Kiambu kuma gutonya ne elevated chibitari mwe mugwanja to level 4 yetu ni iri ku elevator monka thai
na ka 26 level 3
so yetu ni iri ku yaki tell me ugo no ku report we mona no report aga ne iri ku igwa na rwitwete ku launch level 4 level 3 yetu ya inya level 4 avutoira mero na ndikansa ichira ingire no tutikumba kuthithia preventive measures wiwe mero ikwibira ingire no tutikona good medical treatments alafu tweta twakua justification mtu arakinyire miaka ewe murungu amujukia
to be honest ngotekana na wakili na unio ithreivio kwa na quite disappointing ugeta njedero there was also a structure yaki gitara kiraito ili ara kwina mochare kubwa sana
yes
gitara
na around the 360 beds
yes na thaizi mwankana and since the two governors baiku batomba kuthirania na contractor bajo Kenya Mbera nonto the idea was we expand hospital area either to sava na oni inya kinya kuchotwera menya kwina mantu jamboja the nyanto bara batutongeretie kona jaka inya bobongo batukutakia mwananchi mantu jamega tutake kuma Meru no the mandatory twite bore is vitare gore 5 year kana yare 4 niliku twa tenenkanire uya itali ya level 6 ino gaikia na wewe ngona waka level 6 ya bantu amwe na waka level 6 ya Omero is
Nkapana
no yes
the father
no meaka somewhere
level 6
because na kona there is potential in business a private business no ntanto ibajiro na no toto kona my good friend aku mention cancer like seriously uto enda kumenya kini kya cancer yo
Meru
yes uto enda even the yes Credo tried whether in a cancer center but uto investments ya kumenya tine cancer imbio
na preventive measures
yes chindu uto karande kurado kwa ni other than even good treat menya hospital is a structure ekeja kodora inyanto eka tentre tuti treatranto we kitu ya kujenga ma structures either is a business for someone kana tu biashara kati jere tugereza hizi tuko mwanka kwike mtu akono menya nuje there is no way umba kuja kutuira no kwenda ku elevate level 5 whereas is ya level 6 whereas area yonde iti level 5 ingi yo but it's a serious manya urore aza no dimenti unless ite kidongo right ite kidongo akui ora wibore
Timao ne collapse le
Timao ne collapse
yes
it doesn't work
lakini ande it's good to the Nyambene. Of course, arome barone room. But my question is, uoko umara da hizi cheupe ukadhidia savea. Miji tu na hospitali nyingi ngorukia ya Meru hizi chingi untopuriga cha private. It tells you is a need. Na gap yo government itakwenda kuenda katikati. Tare I saw maandamano ja nurses bakiuga one of them no kuthia biashara. Akare akuthia biashara atenya no na executive na karete munene owe. Those are kind of issues. No to kwenda utegera ku sort problem iratu nayo as a community. The intention yao ni cuts kana kuona benefit. Sibitari mbeche yuba kwenda utwikira na twena mundo thirikari. Ringi wakite sibitari ene mono. Onto mbechere chekirwa jojo ugatara cost ye kwa Kenya rooms building area infrastructure ready tuaja nyomba ingi chaki no nyoge taja ku level 6 ba waka structure ba waka you really get shocked seriously.
You know, when you say that inkuigwande na nini, because kile mwananchi wa kawaida dira yurumante zo wa level 5 wira ne kwenda kwa level 6, they were very happy because at least bakona mirimo mingire bekatse ira kude ubatethera bagitandiro bakeza ya miro. At the same time wategera government akiariana kuwa ya kwamba ni one of the achievement ira kana legacy yewera gatiga asanga bana because the are in power na level 5 ni rombere kwa level 6. So when you talk like that, you know, kinyani I'm confused because
let me put it na hii project ya national government
no tomere yeza
au
no lobbying yeza
apart from lobbying to everyone can say to lobby it si ndio niki ati kuona ni effort ya kujukia maua level 4 elevate ya level 5. It means wamikia level 5 more employment for young our people baraba domi nurses more doctors ana betu bakona ngugi. It means ana antobaraba uma Nyambene beja Kimeru level 5 iji batija kairi ujukia Kanyakine ome elevate level 5 inyayo. It means antoba Saudi menti na probably baraba bandaraka baraba reja Meru batija kairi ujukie probably tuge Kinyameru town inge yako level 5 ingi. It means anto baraba bakaiwa ban no tota geta Kenyatta National Hospital bagati etio au.
Yes.
So kedra it's upon referrals. Icho chigeta kuthikirwa chiko nini tukethera twina ingiri next tauta show ground ya bakuga ne bakwenda gwaka nini state road tukuga state road yo nyato tio mienda. We happy the president being in Nairobi ejage nini lakini twakire chibitari because we are not happy kuona mochiari wetu aliumaja na band state akamato ikomoka Kenyatta Hospital. Sisi hatutaki kujua mambo na state road, we want hospitals and a serious conversation on nga supporting governor ya kedra agenda number 1 health because we are losing life. On a serious note ito kuwe in a big rate in Meru County antu ibokwa
kuna rinto
on that one story legacy manya inkwaga legacy wekethero atia no ntore tokuga kuina building area iriara ata take interest ko ensure tumalizane na contractor ana patie ko achiari patie ko mamanira mirimo na infections pete room iriko ikeja kodhorwa wengo na government no mbete ku eject mbecha to clear the pending issue building area no ndo kulet me nyombere yaki no ndo baku decongest.
Yes.
Lakini ndiri tutadire ni nyani ku decongest ba ntukugira onere akiuria kambire kuina tukange toana tukenke to ni babo ko celebrate. You see it's like mocking and baraba kumamamu hospitali na we na initiative to ensure that they clear out your studying issues to decongest rooms chetu kenda at least achia ana bona akwero toana na anto kona kumama lakini no ntuba kudhura antiba kwenda kwa kujukia credits out of structures buildings chia manya structure ito kwa kachionde ati tuweka bilioni yemwe kwa koromone building yemwe kwa issue iratu ni nyati thoko by the way ontitutwe manya issue yetu ni health ikeja kwithira a billion shilling ni gwite gaka a facility it is a cancer center Maria code organize issues Maria detection area screenings tukoona mapema na tukaambire kuthithia research njega it's an investment a billion imwe tukuretha wakira thoko ugo wenda wakira thoko only have text WhatsApp group every time thimone ciakwa thimone ko na nya ugo na nya munene mweshimua because that's an issue is not even a building ya thoko issue yetha twidayo miru because cancer is a problem Ngeja kuthura uni kwa agiri na wakiri. Governor Robert kuthura kuset. Menya ijara tugaidi iketho etiko affected. Tuga if it is not you are not infected you are affected.
Yes.
Yeah. Yes. The same case na cancer. Cancer need to be treated the same way. Kende stick kiri antibiotic with a hurry detection hurry nonto ya kinyare tukono tukaritu in health enjaga. Cheupe okeja kurwa ukeja gwito kathimo kero stage 4 utithiria meri iri mwiri chutatira because there is also an issue of mental problem nonto ka affected psychologically na social support iro kethro irio ukambire kugoja kana ndi witirite but ikeja kwithira thirikari jitu nayo tuka set priorities yetu right. Now that's why I need to feel we have a problem. Kinyanto bakarinya wakiro barabara lakini we aba thina yetu ira tunaombere ni issue ya murimo jo gwitwa nyimba ya cancer. Either whether ni cancer tofauti to na cancer center because we are second in the country. Na no one feel like sawa. Kila mtu ako sawa, kila mtu akipata kati yake, mtu asupply ndawa aikia account kati ya mko, mtu anaenkelwa na opportunity ambiria gwitia mbecha. It becomes a problem.
Okay. Yes. The last point. No kona Health Act, we have a very good registration. Sheria ndonge Health Act.
Lakini ngatairo.
Implementation yayo is zero. Zero. Cheupe tole ariojo kethero na mtu ajitu. Kwajwa. Yawe gintu kiombo kuthinia na arua ngethera no rachengere murimo. Ukamba kuita mbecha cionthe cia family bukendia miunda yonthe no ntu no endete mami oku kana baba oku bukathiria buka extend coverage ukethera mtu ure cibitari ari ukaigwa maromba jari arombaga imurungu mpantu kwingimo
very true
tutu ina maromba jama ingi mbuga tha indiruga wakili ni kuromba mpama MP mpea favor mbeja show ni nyingi ndina maromba jama ingi lakini mtu ure cibitari ari iromba rire arombaga imurungu mpantu kwingi murungu mpeteriria murimo jojo uno kona uga manto jaindi kethere government irio endi etonyete thaiji tukwatwa nio twinde not it was a deliberate effort by the government other actors kugeria kurigeria the spread of HIV na effort ni thithirwo nontu igita riu inya twi yani tuigo turirwa turi monko na mto shukwe na juoka matuka. That's how it was serious. Ende thai itukwirwa Meru cancer na tina aru yambiria. Tutumba kwa kuga inaru manto ja cancer jambiria. Ende kitwi uti effort kabisa at least ngavana kiraito na didete effort kwambiria kuga ingwaka screening center. Lakini na ndeta aire ni reko effort. Ntira igunya bunge betu bariuga atiri tukareni ndetoria. No. We have a serious crisis. Tugwetwa arambe ntuko chionde tukeria ni twariria gantu kaka. Lakini for them they are very happy gutuma ngiri thano. After a few days tukona tuonete forum ile andongi gweta kuthithia campaign mathikone. Cause itakanitha hii tukinyetia antu mathiko jengete politician beja. For me I don't even go to burials. Yes.
Na kuna about control
Yes.
Because now kulingana point iranko gwata kibabwe. Of course, level 6 utumba ku walk in. Like unde igumba hizi timoto thai, I walk in, nikapewa dawa, nafanywa test and all that. Ile ni kitu utakuwa refund to. So, does it mean that Amero Beto, in case kwa tuika hospitali uwe kwa level 6, does it mean that Amero batena hospitali wita kairi because kanadri kare county na ine control? Not to the moment ya level 6, yune mware kinjara tio.
There is no control. Once you elevate to level 6, with areas are referral patients. utumba gwita wadimitoa ura to giaga general maitu jim manto no general na ndete in general once general ya elevated education national government the closest tumba gwita no unless you get a referral
ama on emergency cases daira ngari ringiro uri akuya guka matukangu no ndonitikire to gisheria so kila ke create to that as we speak there is a gap of level 5 in Meru since when we started ku develop here so the reka sere nene governor ringi kudithia trust me tikuga na robere government eja kwa ka level of nini well to my credit on that kedrano athithirium but ikwithira ne elevated more than 3 hospitals chisavu and Tubamiro bechere bo 5 ayonda kuira oni if I have to have a serious conversation na mtu uria kwenda gitikia ngavana ni ugambiro mbakire thoko ndirorera kangatari uga thoko ticho tukwenda thai people and to beto Kenyans benjoaga kuika intondi yes auga kwena example ingia tigiro ya kichaka ni ara ni Uhuru monkatha yete ayo occupied lakini ugetira njirene ugeta kwa we Matibo Hospital level 5 no miona no akite yoma from nini from scratch monkare
actually morageta arena hospital yeah
yani amita from the na miaka within a span of 1 year chibitari one ari operational ende batwi murangete kuona mbechira itaira tukuona Meru iliona between 15 billion, Murama probably iliona 10 billion. So what is preventing kwithira batwi tuchukitie chibitari chia twinyirie tirio twithira tuko chikia chia kinya level. Twithira nara ke village na munya na geretia nkwire. In every village location na tigete agotiga dispensary tukuga kithongori it's something which nini ndeta nara gwako nara ndaramire nkando kwichi ndeta mutuni weta kisimo kethira munya na tigete atiga structure kira ekitiari continuity ni eto te athithirie and we'll get it right tomba go solve manto health tuarega go solve cheupe kila siku yethera bwana announce amadiko utirobo te announce kila siku eta mochare rokethera antu family ya queen magana 5 waitiara ara makuru ara ukona ko ingi mochare ingire itkiru ara ukethera family chiri hau na tu as a politician will be very happy kuita madiko ne tuita kwalia nonsense chetu empeni opportunity ndidie no ma pastors jeje au joge it's the will of God
na baina rumbora baina one as I wrap up on an issue you see thoko is a dual function thoko is a thoko waka thoko it's a devolved function.
Yes.
The function ya county.
A county.
Manyanu je thirikari ira twinayo ni kwenda muno kujukia want to create a legacy either it's an illusion or something. Non to why would you invest heavily on a structure running away from structure you could invest you put a billion shilling if that billion shilling irengi ejectwa county government na county government ikethora na nene ku support nene ku kuna need ugetera barabara ya gweta Nairobi thoko ingana chiaki uchethera anto banyaba tetumaira thoko anto marigo watega marigo no kuna thoko ire au kuna thoko ingi inyumeyo no tu tumaira thoko hizi ukeja kitha kwaja kuna thoko ya kiro embeche nyingi mono lakini nyoni ikomoraira ku na thoko embecha mingi sana pesa mingi sana ku onareto kuga unimbugire thirikari nayo irenda ke wikira mbicha that ire Mumiru that iturakire thoko iturejere twaka nyomba ingi chire ya mwendanto nyomba kujotonyo bakite but in reality that ibaranite a way to sort issues irachi affected the money irachi basic ira bombo touch lives za mheshimiwa tuhudhura Kenya Kwanza we hoped barabadhure tuge itwa bari na hope that one monene president na uga cardinal functions na devolve function na ipata resource iji keta mashinani na uninkarani kuronko no either itwara shere the dream ya ya devolve system neri isa sawa na bara bathukanĩtie devolution neri isa sawa, but ngwitikiara twathukirie ni kuthera the number of counties that tunacho either is a burden also. Number two, we ended up devolving functions itabati kwa devolved. Health yabati kudhora devolved, I agree, because Jora Munya, for example, the first governor ora ambiri already ukona structure kwa kwara mtu no etaka kunda kandawa somewhere, but in terms of resource wise injection ya capital ya Mbecha still ni kutigwa kiri national government Mbechira nyingi cha ku maintain a quote level 6 hospitals nokateka budget yao nokateka budget ile kuja the counties no kuona kuna mismatch nyingi mono na finally to devolve wamba ponene mono wamba serious to devolve ora intobia wana as a national government still biaja kuiwanaja seriously, because people are spending resources chana inchi. If you look at how people are budgeting, it's really ni kujinyana aja mashinani budgeting corruption, budgeted corruption. Mundu akadhogane nande, for example ndonere nande project ile kwa budgeted for, they're really inflated na nyoka ukori chai ari priority kweli kana mtu anataka kutengeneza pesa yake akienda na ndio hiyo kuona nya county zetu nacho it's purely pesa, but tukoria 3 barat independent bodies ira cheri kutetheria kutegera winyango bombecho cha mwananchi kainya chi complicit kana abe part of the problem. I think wakili nombo to ireke there is a part of the problem, or the judicial system yetu is also an issue, because there is no way still mwankana ande Antonio Bakuya paigo kotini file ikaura na ando bachoka kwa appointed kwa swelo high offices. Yes.
Atia mpabe buge kintu kambere ai kwe approach monda ndewe na ingi ndaigwa ndarega nontu devolution no to devolve to lead there 47 counties. That was the best thing which happened. Nontu keda totiandi daya to watene Meru, Isiolo, Tharaka na Embu. It means that chibitari ra toringe toria area probably ni Embu nontu ne area dikota sia tutu. So auto devolve te bukudonki resources icho chibati kuthithi okay jotekera article 174 a Kenyan constitution ye kuduka object of devolution yari kuita powers Nairobi concentration ya power Nairobi ile takiwa wananchi wananchi beda bariga wawe na self governance no tekera ora nkuga igitaria munya people are happy na maendeleo jare aditaya so me I don't even blame the devolution as such it is stated to constitution kila ko blame probably ni wananchi antobara bodure in the office nonto you got it right kudura munya ukathikira kianto kila kitu ni gawanto baruga munya na aditaya but you got it wrong period ye 2022 kudurana na emotion urato adurire ya impeached kwanza na ore ari omo nkata hii bo baire it was a mistake, a pure mistake to the Meru people kwithira to anenkere antu nyabatina skills cha management mtu atena kiongo kia kwithira aswarute I imagine what is 12 billion ai account utukunira kwithirwe 12 billion wambiria kumathu bikiendeje by the end akweja kwithira utikiathithitie oni tandategera mantu jaja thoko tukugira taiwe ketha kwimiene utamwe thoko Kenya in disorganization here ona kinyago eta thoko ne no to disorganization ye uthiurunkaja witaja ujukiaja withira nandi mpira wake thoko e marigo mtu agaitio na the fourth floor gwita kugira marigo jau jonde bokerorori na jeta Nairobi so let thoko chikare ukiro bati kuthithia and I agree with Governor Kanangata araugire make njira cia gwita thoko ne cie very accessible omba kuthithia njira na cia kureta thoko ne ira chirio billion ira kethere injectero gwaka njira nyingi ubuku cie around aja turinge turiumba kureta nga into bia thoko ne pia kinya thoko ne no ntubikagurwa either way bikagurwa abiguro bien disorganized yum kinyani ngwirero gweta thoko rere ndeta rimwe nkaringwa mataka rimwe imbitire ndaringwa aja na kwiba bagwirero gweta kuringa na inyoutu. That is the joy of Kenyan thoko na hii tradition yetu i trademark itawatia trademark kana kuchi itawa ira chiona na ya oni umantu jetu jetaka u na there is no mistake in that but antu para tukudhura tawanenchi mamiro baya kitike kia gavana we must sit down tutegere ondiratega tia nkwira kike kia muthia gavana ojo muthomi njuki ndeta oni 20 kwiro ndetete ndeta chibitari u yewe ndethira ni gwakwa 20 last year December ukona structure ya kitege chibitari u yao ame elevate from level 4 ya kinya level 5 chibitari u that it's more good than yeje Meru Tharaka but ya 4 billion Meru ya 15 billion. So is the choice we make as the people atoka change yake wananchi tutige kuthikira manto je emotion toinirwa aja kirarire anga toerwa anga ituro itujo romba maromba jati ku guarantee weta kwa good leader inya ugono urombe endo tumbe the na skills cha go to interview aja you are nothing.
Very true.
Completely.
I have a reason why the current divorce system it work for us. Chayo. Let me also start today. Uti aje kudharo kuna are almost 340 something a member of parliament. That's really a waste. Onto nyo nyantu kuingiro ndaronga metendo na mbunge arienda ulia nedere mbunge because honestly carrying the burden 300 something member of parliament, that's really a waste. From the nominated member of parliament, still that's a waste. Number two, having 47 counties, that was a miss for me. A reason. I feel the Bomas draft was way better. And to area around provinces chetu still mean na the way it was. No ntore kinyadai you know na there are blocks. They are region block bakarandi kuruba kakwatanira we still have, because that's how we complement one another. No nto I'll tell you even having a governor from an elective position also was a really miss. No nto I would wish that to in a system such a way that to account, not to put people to account, having a CEO that's really been account with as a assembly. For example, having assembly edurwa ega appoint ega vets a CEO who manage resources chamiro no kudroe put to task tied to. For example, the company probably at Iran na the projects barande na po have someone who run it, okay, na is responsible for everything that lands that can institution no kuona lakini keja kudhura John and for example you have a governor misappropriate money disappears with it no one no trace hakuna mtu anaenda kuomba kiti ya senator anakaa kufunga file zake huko no mwankarira ngai akamwita ilio case chao ikambire kurugurwa ko there misses that we tonere from
ukethora kinyako kia kwithora kwe ugukuwa pengine tu kinyaka tani assembly kwa point a CEO na are accountable to them kinyanga bana are accountable to the MCAs but still no kuona
the system irapina yo is a problem having a governor who was the entire influence political party that work uju akaitono to nakarito ni ajumbe bwawe it's also a problem. I feel there are misses. I hope we can tomba kudoma out of that. To improve.
Okay.
No to
improvement.
I think it was copy paste.
I think marato kwa area.
Betreva copy
suggestion ya abunge baegembe bauga to divide count Meru county ijiri. That is their proposal. Where you got Bomas kire ati umenya in Bomas ya created the retire system.
Yes.
Kwithira kwina devolved government Meru ithirelio. Na iguru ria Meru twithira twina ingi block. Na iguru ingi twithira twina national government. So turingi twithira turi fund government ingi extra ki budget yetu. That was, yes. Lakini devolution ikintu by the one of the aspects mtodha kodithia sheria kintu aspect ile nene ki Kenyan Constitution, one of it Bill of Rights. Here you have chapter 4 of the Kenyan Constitution. The next in devolution. Devolution works ukeja kwithira ibugetete it right. Ethera ngavana Murang'a Kiambu na kwaka Chibitari uchionde. What is preventing wetu ethera ati gwaka? Ethera ngavana uchu na kuthithia na tukona ne ka report na ika verified. Ne kuthithia na nimbie go prevent wetu kuthithia kiki na kiki. Lakini sometimes not to blame governor together tukwethera tutini ni itobati kugenye MCAs no tuiba go priaro kwethera ibaba kuthithia budget. Budget is done by the MCAs. Yes. It is proposed by the executive, then added over to the county nini assembly. Ela bate prioritize kuga twake ni Chibitari ki budget. Governor atomba kwethera ari ugambetite agaita mbecha na tha ito riuga na raitire from one kitty aikia ki ingi. So kinyapara to thura be ki county government, we must be very careful. Tukadhura crooks, illiterates, better kuga nande tuthithie ni tuone twewe mbecha chia devolved nini to chia on fund tuka enjoy acho nini. No, we need people who can say in this budget to propose and to Chibitari ingijiri. So no, for sure no to the blame governor for that thing. Together the nera to in county assembly Emiru.
Why?
I feel also is on only I've an issue with the way system carry. Now you forgive me about that. Lakini I have an issue because there is no way even the budget itself originates as it is in the now set up. Budget originates from the executive. Whether we have a dwarf or a cloak MCA, the governor has a responsibility in executive to ensure all resources are shared equally, and all the constituencies, and all the wards. Na akeja kodoro priority chia barabe ku menya. I think that way MC is pretty critical sana kurukira kwari the last dispensation, but I feel I still have a problem the way things are characterizing onto how do you put the governor to account when there is a misappropriation a resource. Non to kudhura etumbekana non to party aligned. Kenya success ya kuenga kawira it was purely because there was a party alignment. Ikaja kudhura nari na effort kudhura na numbers chia. I think you back with that. Ko there are issues we need also to sit down. But we accept this. We of course is in the goro iukura. Now there are misses we made. There are issues that we have in the current setup. Now only issue in honestly is the member of parliament having control of a fund called CDF. No nto kana women fund. Makosa to adhirie ikoja kudhura every elective position. It's time to be an executive. Kabisa nondo ni kuona nande no one cares because I have around 300 million in my setup nande nakafandi kange kugora fuero rebiaja nkome nyaranga ache dambo na million cha kwenya forte na ikieto myokona abunge bakaraja kabeta ira bokenda moneno wetano antu bachinja ya but system ni to manto bachinja no to wetanaro kona si ni kawaida tu wacha mtu ajitafutie na ku ensure that watu they remain poor because ni okanya gwita kulinga dingira manya nduje utena kanto mukone honestly no mwanka obangira ini ukanenkerwa na oni kudura kwena I agree the late prime minister said baba na imbitikana yeye na ura ugere that the issue of CDF is really mubunge achana nayo ni kitu mko na bila tukoraya atomba kore because there's a fund we've done every elective position to have fund MCA na kwenda fund with a ward fund na kwenda kugairwa kigina kyawe takuthithia kiai my sister because
so now hoka kwa kuteni tevile bwana Eric katuwe kutina fadi yeu then MP MCA senator governor bondo baketha bagitangu gere because
No, I'm saying
tuti niyo nene nkurukie gintu kingi no ntu sheria itu tumira icio tikweja cikethera cire tungaida uria mbeca cigatumirika
ikeja kuthura mubunge ngogi ciawe ni thatu oira ikirika tebet
yes
3 tai ibarabara tu Singapore tu kuraja muno no ntu iba kuthura bena kuita gana nao ka bunge ikuthura na kwanza ikithura bunge kunyenya an issue of having a bunge kubwa iti honestly mheshimiwa
I know when it says about parliamentarian bedra be baba ingi I agree them tuwe na bunge baba ingi na very useless kinyatha hai Meru ukeja utegera ria twari na bunge batano it was more resourceful to us iro twathura bunge very impactful in our life eno gamporia mubunge wetu tarire tawa muiraria I can tell you muiraria na thitha yona nona na nya parliament ito iga wari aria lakini ogamporia na ndinya mubunge ona odimenti as a lay person no the na difficulty kuga no we don't hear them talk and the work of parliamentarian need to didialai we talk on behalf of our people we register need to ya registration sheria on behalf of our people and I agree inya CDF yo baka itirwa iro tukambiria kuthura bunge bena substance no nturi tugategaira mubunge utikejite gututhithirita gitigia senate inja we don't mind as long as we get someone who can go and represent us in the Senate. Lakini thai twethera mubunge tukamuthure based on imbecha tukwenda. Imbecha etite guchwa. Tutiumba kwithira turiona substance nene ya mubunge ura tukwenda Tamiru. Onto nande ta Oscar Sunde ugaon ngugi wingi mpe inti kwenda. Endo aja ground ukethira ngugi kwera ngwita. Nikio tukona turithira twina finance bill igutuma ana baketa baka demonstrate bakoragwa because they are not hearing the people but kwa thinya ki constitution ara bugite public participation but at long last kinyano kiwe impeachment ye gashagwa most of it ni kwarirwa about public participation kinyanga bana ri divert mbecha iji there must be public participation kinya bali allocate these resources mwananchi ethire center stage
lakini tibugo kara
that is not what is happening
exactly kapitero tena rwa education sector na time wetu ni matukire sana kile education sector kinyone thirito ina so much things going on for example jana nimeona juzi kuona Ogambo akiwa thirikari nubete kuthio kidiscover around 800,000 ghost learners in schools na at the same time kurerekana kire ana baba ambiriri simbi hii mwankira baito kinya junior ana ba dropera katikati ya daiba dropet around 151,000 people baraba dropet school gitumi nimbi kwina aciari nyama bengi batikwerewa simbi jimbi pathways ici kura pathways atiari bara bengi nyamba tena idea what is going on weta kire maskuru mbecheri kuregwa na antu batikomba kure school capitation te gwite kinya school igitara yako batere at the same time itokuona president na ugete nongerete mbecha cia education ikauma kumake around 500 to around 702 but now the question is mbecha yeno chithiro ichiongere menya mbecha ri kweto cumulative leo ichi kureta thine yonde no ndwaja waibo tukuongera mbecha milioni 100 no kumenya it break it down unaona like pesa mingi sana lakini ika break down then you know ku realize maybe mbecha ri kiteka yeah it's a small amount of money so kiru terero education what should we do because to education ni backbone ya ine it make that in the guru kana economy or something but ni backbone because you cannot do without education but at the same time education yete ni collapse re na at the same time president wona kuona mantu yete mzuri na education ibongerete mbesa ibandikite arimu kithumba urira katheti ni tuko tionde tukona gukira kwina shortages of teachers kwina 44,000 teachers ba junior school secondary school daiba komete iba kwenda barabara maintani iba kwenda kwandiko timbe tese kubandika what is not happening Nonto kuna chaos nyingi muno wa.
One thing is Kambuke the CBC I think the way to go but I feel kuna issue one area one of area ya rizre manduja drop out classification cha school menya o monitor and the school and the way they were classified aritobara bangi ba apply the school chari injaga but igabasi uminya stems itekudido in other schools and you get okay there kuna school area na population nene lakini andete na population nene to ani betre school ira ba bojoriti na beta no kukana ndi ku maintain now is also an issue na ndi mwana can drop a school wale na true the other thing is the issue in a rushed. I think the system ya rashirwe mono na kutokutena stakeholder lili participation ndio but to athomaga I think kwari na nyana career week ira to ya toka ana baka sensitized oroga choose the pathways rogetira pure is an issue a challenge na thirikari united it deliberate in terms of funding this thing either ikarajage kugerera muchiari murigo na idikanaga kwirio president augite sasa itabidi kila mtu aanze kushughulika hii maneno tutombo take responsibility as a government their part we can do it but kuino it akorero nyawengo is a beneficiary of the system that rere gitare yawe na enjoy the flute cha kwethera thirikari ne pateteri na korea kubaru ndorea kubale competition with a school free na funding model is also an issue nonto there was a time PS orirwe imbechingana cha maintain mwana from Augawati the ministry doesn't not easy honestly how now do you support there is a accounting officer na wengo hata kumenya oroga sustain mwana fu au kuthomithia mwana in a public school imbechingana na ana recently I was in Rwanda na ndonora thirikari invested heavily on private. We all beneficiary actually by to meet the public school. Only I'm a product of a public school. Na oteanto angia actually nyakodithia all this the CBE curriculum better than a public school. Na ntije either ni cartels by ensuring public school either kenda chi mushroom these private schools sana kana ni kibuli kana igo yetu as a parent na digital and tutekonda wikiana betu public school TJ we have a problem tunacho but non tumutuli okona ikiri mwana public school kana a friend to athoma noe no akumba we still believe that public school it is sawa number 3 thirikari iti keen ku ensure kana iti kwenda ku invest of course budget bakadho manyo redite even the process of make the next budget bako ichobe kiritire nyingi but now the cost of maintaining that child school to komenya na PS akadha tukomenya ni how do you now plan a budget for mwana either school ko Keoni, I feel there are many factors. One, there are those who benefit out of this in the system. Na ibaizi having schools, there was a time in capitation ikiwa school iteoburu.
Yeah.
Now these schools also were created as a polling stations. Do you remember they were also used as a polling station school? Itioburu ikibao there was also an expose sometime back unaga ikibao gejere ikiro school itora ku receive capitation na narume beta gwita na ina mbodi na ina teacher uko withdraw better na inyako ina officer wa county officer na ije school is also a signatory. Now you still wonder is issue ejere was it is it by design that mtu na benefit out of this kana ni thirikari kwenda kugerera murigo muchiari nondo kinya ije transition tukuga ni 100% my sister ngakwira ima irwaria ro thirikari that ugweta school wo report ya Kenya waura no one cares as long as the data is there that mwana na reportere na system is showing that is fully no get in school wiji inyabo benda mono nonto the moment we o register no one disappear they still receive capitation which quite is unfortunate na tio agenda ya muciari ikithomo kiongo ikigitumite tukinya wakili na batwi na ugwe ikigitumite twina uturo bugwega na igitukikega muno at least batwi kila twaero ni aciari betu na thirikari ria ciariku is the same that ba thirikari ria ciku ibati kwana bana betu kenda at least kunyiria nonto primary responsibility any government.
I agree.
That to ensure there is mwana kuthoma na kugwata kithomo gikiega of course also the health ya mwana na witi bwa mbere bwa ndene iki kiumaga lakini keja kuthirwa bate kwenda u I don't know why we antobabo the benchmark Rwanda you there in a find public school I mean private school most of them are all public schools. Yes. Na system are working seriously because hizi ni wamba mbure ni wamba nontore there is no way umbombera school which receive mbecha the regional team it is the rank or we carry but the beneficiary even now those kickbacks ngakwira having chaired board cha school mantura mbonaga tuonaga imantu za kuligaria muno nonto mbechire chijaga no kunen ugwitacio baikiria no kare akuthithio mwalimu wendicho ri ate go buthugu na ndi kwina musukumo that lazima nipeleke something kumunene oe na ingi nacio there was also a preacher the other day Mathikondeja wa Ojwang if I'm not wrong Senator Seme augire school chira sponsored there was an end teacher who paid $1 million shilling with a school fulani. He tells you are paying you are getting transferred kia certain school no yes
of course
same schemes Nyamero waza they are teachers who pay to go to a high cartels is a system go either thirikari not deliberate kuensure kithomo ki sasa wa kana ibatwire mtu ajishughulikie nondo i cycle you go to primary school how do you maintain mwana na shilingi 190 the whole term
haiwezekani
how bwana na no kwenda yes the same secondary school how do mwana sababu na 3000 night term the whole term
yes na mwana
there's a problem ambete kandile kwenda thina na thirikari nizi ni tu kucheza PR
ampa mbele kuga tu bana toaja let's take pride that we are product of good education system ya Kibaki that kethera tikibaki ejile probably ogwe oni na nini tutinge tu very educated na tu nini constitution ekweje go seto ne setere article 43 eleta socio-economic rights socio-economic right iji ni ira chikwenda government action ni kenda implement through becha one of that health ejire ni education na constitution okayotaka article 43 we stated these rights will be achieved progressively so etiugite to choke nyuma tumire from capitation ara twera bari na nkero 27 million 27000 to na ma 22 chia ja 16000 na buga tha hichi na bibwathe
na inflation irio
kintu kia mbere kinya to seti okuga budget ni ongerete mbecha kiro ti utegera ni anabangana bagu bachiari bagwita chukuru yes because that is must government but kudere na statistics elimenya mwaka jojo we expecting anabangana ba human grade eje beta eje ikienda pomba go fund tipo uga budget without the information about the population of students and that is one of the challenges. Other challenge is ikwithira NCDF weje yetu created to offer ambassadors either at the mercy of MP, either at the mercy of the governor, either at the mercy of the minister, rather than back consolidating becheji chieko pamoja chi offer free education. Non toge kambecha tuge MP wetu chia 50 million. Uweke constituency 300 and something chionde. Umea wetaki county government with the county government ni utenga almost 1 billion. Ukiembechi uchieke amochi manejo chio chionde. Pogire mbechi uchi na potential ya kuwekila mwanafunzi wote na kuthoma buri atikurea. Lakini non topiba kwenda kuja tubainira barea jana CDF kaneni bursaries tokachiko. For them political class ikenda beja kuringa ero ampe ni alchiali betu baraba tena potential kwethera nini kintu kebiri kebithatu that kinyatha ira tukuga aniba ko drop out of school nyamberentere tau president kwera pronounce ite uga ana bete chukuru bakari nyamba tena uniform. The challenge with that is imwalimu ule kwa academy mwana etako mama atena gitanda atena mattress atena basic requirements kuyu kutuma inside achiari against mwalimu ore amana banyawe na right ekwithira nyoe chi inyethira na responsibility ere na right no ethira na ndirire ethira mwana ekirwa under that state ambirie na ndikwirwa ana chukuru ina ni utesana. That is what happening. Lera kwithira kwina budget deficit iyo kuigwa principal alliance alikwatwa no tunakona acha ikugire challenge chukuru niretere ana baba ingi itukwenda probably kuleta arimu no tugutina arimu kwe chukuru ingi mbetha ndembo ndichia urethera chukuru population ya almost alimu magana jana ana alimu bana ini alimu bana na bario batumba kuthomithia na bau batiomba you cannot know tuli kwiwenye na labda ateja antu kwimwe ukethera na ndikwe na deficit alimu akwi over 5 ina mwalimu bau bakomethera ndi teacher ateja alia na alimu abera ati achiari tongereni so ni kila ntegerete na president wetu abati kwita akathoma from Kibaki eterere expert baitanguki kore we are born with limitations. Nobody is complete. Nobody, kapsa nobody. Yes. Kenya genius yoro gweta Elon Musk ikenda biashara wewe kura ekite a group of experts ba work to his company or provide leadership. President ya provide leadership without making pronunciation ana bombe kwithira kwiantu expert ba kuran the education sector, the health sector, the energy sector. No kona o the nira to kwariria ja no kwithira kurash to make decision atikweretikira probably kudikira advice ya expert oro akethira akwita akaeta against the advice. No to energy tugire he went against the advice of experts baraba karite monga security council kara subsection ya security council ingi education prayers bakarendi buge this is the best approach.
Okay, thank you. Inkuro tuki kabreak kanini together tuchokera kagita kategoro jo komaruka mitambone ni twine mantuja maingi jara tutigariti tukwenda kutha tukiarivia na twachokera nkethwa nkiwata kinya SMS chienu etanambere kuthiro gituma kiri 07489891 utero Facebook Meru TV Kenya utero YouTube Meru TV Kenya nikienda twachokera tumba kutha tukiwata maoni yako kinyawe uriugate.
Tatua chapa na ndaka ichindire mainda ngiri 5 ya beti yaku onyuma ya ndeka 20 wacheza na chiringi 20 ugaichindira ngiri 100 na wacheza na chiringi 40 ugaichindira chiringi ngiri 200 cheza na chiringi 100 uichindire nusu milioni hau ngoroki kuri na into bia nyomba na bia biashara bia kuichindira smart TV, fridge, cookers, mashini cha kudhambia ngari, mitambo ya kuchanganya na kuruga cake, bonda, mashini cha kuora na kuumia nguo, bells cha mitumba, solar panels, tuk-tuks na ngari muthemba jo maruti. Tonya thimuni yaku kiri M-Pesa na wikire paybill iriani 440 kana 150. Amount ikira kuma chiringi 20 mwanka ngiri 2. Account ni Meru TV. Changamka sasa, tatua chapa na kazi na daka.
Tunafurahia kuwa hapa maeneo ya Iego Primary School na bila shaka leo watu wengi watapokea chakula. Leo kutakuwa na furaha katika nyumba nyingi. Vile vile pia tunafurahia kwa sababu kuna tangi, kumekuwa na shida ya maji hapa. Kutakuwa na kidogo tutakuwa tumetatua. Kama kawaida yote ni kwa hisani ya Tatua 3.
Tunashukuru sana Tatua 3. I am proud to be associated with Tatua 3. Nafurahia sana na tuendelee hivyo na Mungu atazidi kutuinua.
Nimecheza kwa muda mwaka last year but one nimejaribu kucheza, nikafika mahali nikaona ni kama watu wanakula pesa za watu, nikawacha. 2 weeks ago hivi akanitumia message wakasema umekaa sana bila kucheza. Nikacheza wiki ya kwanza nikakula 100. Kufika Sunday jioni nikapigiwa simu nikaambiwa hii ni Tatua bonasa.
Leo ninakulima popcorn machine brand new my brother.
Nimejishindia popcorn machine. Jina langu ni Simon Mutua Kifunza. Sunday nimeshinda popcorn machine. Na kucheza Tatua 3 ni rahisi.
Tonya thimuni yaku kiri M-Pesa na wikire paybill iriani 440 kana 150. Amount ikira kuma chiringi 20 mwanka ngiri 2. Account ni Meru TV. Changamka sasa, tatua chapa na kazi na daka.
Maji karibu kwenye Tatua Bonanza live show. Askofu Ole Matope hapa, mtu wa mali, mtu wa box. Na leo niko na mshindi hapa.
Naitwa Thomas Muthi kutoka Kirijaga.
Utachagua kuspin the wheel ili ushinde hela ama utachagua namba uende nyumbani na bidhaa?
Mali ambazo niko nazo hapa.
Namba.
Namba ngapi?
Namba 4.
Namba 4. Hiyo safi. Ulijishindia nini kwa Tatua 3?
Nilijishindia TV.
Ndio Smart TV. Muthie, TV yako ndio hii 43 inches.
Nimeshukuru sana, hata mimi nimefurahi.
Tonya thimuni yaku kiri M-Pesa na wikire paybill iriani 440 kana 150. Amount ikira kuma chiringi 20 mwanka ngiri 2. Account ni Meru TV. Changamka sasa, tatua chapa na kazi na daka.
Mujiari nukuria niko kaira mwana waku kugwata kithomo kia utia wa kiriu ugakua nkorokaire nuntu M College ni atongerete ki kithomo kia utia na kiobundi Mount Kenya East na Kenya ngima na twina miaka 30 kuma tukwambiriria. M College mwana waku akegwatira motia makamumbithia kuruta wira kajaga Kenya. Twina courses ta School of ICT, School of Hospitality and Social Sciences, School of Driving, School of Agriculture and Environmental Studies, School of Engineering, School of Education, School of Accounting and Business, Advanced Healthcare Assistant na Jenge Kathumba. Yandikithie kiri ujukania uri othiete na mbere kiri mutandao gukurukira www.mcollege.ac.ke kana turingira thimu gukurukira 0741871257 kana 0705761606 kana 0790849934. Ni ugwati ugeni gukungwira miaka 30 ya utungata wetu. Embu College, skills to go places.
Chokia rogono.
Chokia ni rogono.
Jokia dogono. Gote muntu te rogono rwawe. Na gote rogono rutitomi ukaigua rukagono. Jumatatu cionthe Meru TV tukureterete mubango jwa Jokia rogono. Mubango juri na murutira jwa utoro. Withura witho bwa mothio jwa kenga. Ukinyaniria bwa iroto. Naomba ni borea tugutura. Gatumenya rugono rwaku kume kuriro. Iji ningono iri na mataro. Wigikana gokaneria nkoro. Na igutureta mwendene ya mutorire. Jokia rogono. Jumatatu cionthe kwambiriria thaa 2:30 cia ugoro mwanka thaa 3:30 cia utuku. Miangatene ya murithi wa baja kwa Meru TV. Anuje no waranire no bichi cia Meru TV na There FM ukaigua kuri ontobote ukugweria kumakire programu iria igwetaruone nandi no tume maoni jaku gukurukira email yetu iria ni merutvcomplaincenter@gmail.com kana uturingire thimu gukurukira 0140 794 142. Meru TV chionere mwanya.
Mpaka sana mutegeri Meru TV, karibu oringi tutanambere kwitha tukiaraniria rikana inkure wona twachokera tuketha tukiwata SMS ciaku na tuketha tugina tugiarire kinya matuja mengi nyaja ndene county ya Meru tugitegere nya thirikari county ya Meru yetete atia na matuja mengi yara tuonete yakiendelea kinya mitandao ne tuibe tuonete jagita nambere aja county ya Meru na kwa hivyo itanambere kwithirwa gituma SMS ciaku na kinya kwithirwa kiuri kira wina kio comment kana opinion yaku itume value umbe kwithirwa gimetumana bila shaka ngeta nambere kwithirwa nkimigwatira. Kwa hivyo mbere tuchoka aja county ya Meru ndenda punchokeri kiuri kingi kimwake please na kwa kwi kabisa kirima tujegie rwalia rwa president wetu na president wa Uganda kuna mikwanju ya Tanzania Suluhu awire watu wapigwa mikwanju na antu akenya kintu kira beregirite muno ni gitarira president aronete chance ya gwita ndiguru nera kuna matu maingi yakarikite between batu nabo kwina antu betu ba abduct kwina bo batera turo bwao kwibo bathithitu matu yatiagirite tutonere thirikari ikiarire mantu ja na at the same time igitarira at least ya Kenya nao antu beregirite akathetera Kenya antu barabe naona bakurukira so much now that he was there but he didn't lakini instead Samia inyaka inyanyiriri saiti kumwira antu ipapigo mikwanju mimi ni wapige wakikuja kwako pale Kenya kinyawa baringe mikwanju hizi ilo imantu jaretete reactions nyingi sana kile ya Kenya but you as leaders I don't know you are thinking kana natabo kuthugania kana kile rwariro bonde does it mean that president wetu atomba kuthetera antu bawe para baindiguru nengi kana what is happening
ampambere mbuge President Ruto na the three President Ruto, President Kagame, President Mama Suluhu na Museveni pen aspects a dictatorial way of leadership. They are dictators. Kiragi prevented the president wetu kwethire too much of dictator in the constitution na ala Kenya ikinyete as a society. Kethira tikeu ethere dictator umwe muno na utegerete fast very young. So our advice you that was the best advice alinge kwa dictator mwenzake. Lakini ya Kenya akethera vitu ni tofauti. ukeja gutegera Tanzania kinya there imutipati iboragite biama biu bingi on out of their parliament yao yonde abunge bairi baba bruri be from the opposition two to three member of parliament in these elections baba duri bobe benini oninda tegera conversation era president ya bati kuikenara Tanzania era nene na eje niyo nyaki ora ku vie for the president ngategera is that moving forward not about to wiki a lot of money in Tanzania in terms of irio oni the president na arwa nkona president ora omba kuinga irio bya Tanzania kuja Kenya tukagea thina irio miaka iri lakini tukomba kuleta antu baba ingi kuja kurima we have solved our problem together to create a great employment ke youth mpira uriga wanaro gitunguru kiriuma 150 mpira thai antu bari bara bakwanda nyanya bagaketha mbechi iria thai arimi aba gwiritu ketha ni ugu kuendelea uni antu bangana omba gwita miru town bageta miundene kurima so for me conversation you president yagirite ari emotione there was no useful thing not but okeja gutegera in terms of exchange mbento bira tukon mbechira tukuma tukuita Tanzania but as the people ikidogo taira bagwita ke batwi so president wetu agwita nari it was a disappointment first kintu kia mbere kimekosinyira bo tumira kurema irio biao very concentrated chiena chemical cancers nyingi so mbona kiraba kuroa ikemeko ichitekeje kuja Kenya ai ndio biubire mia chemical yone kebate go prevent on that ground no ntethero karete ukarega chemical chieja mbona anto bari gwatirwa kajiando mono ko igwe bagwatirwa chemical sira chititikiritwo Kenya irio biubitithithitwa chemical so for me ke president wa Kenya inya advice you it in a place in Kenya obvious we are very progressive as a country president Moi agereria with even the old constitution ya remo ti president Ruto akaomba advice you kireana ni aringe kwa ika offer good level of advice ibuga president Museveni for us Janeu, we the people are governed by one thing, the constitution. The constitution now in as the sovereign people, neither the citizens of Kenya. Yes.
Okay. Actually, Bwana Eric, now get Mama Suluhu, now get democracy. It doesn't follow any formula. Ni ukweli? Is it true?
No. I think our presidents, I wish that situation area Mama Suluhu ari niwari menya nujinaga menya wawangwa history what I believe the new dispensation constitution katiba yetu inayo Kenya vote teno indikana muno na imurito moi na still nyo nora na I believe is way iwe ni obati ku make anything decision the president no the country kiwa the one ewe na presidency na serikali no kila kitu but unfortunately it create as a democracy democracy yetu country yetu of course democracy each is chao na ina chao such that the neto no it's cause of democracy problem yetu nayo because choices to kudhura it's pure of in a price you to pay because the moment we decide who become the president now is the way we don't do it not the balloting kana the form of impeachment ko oni kambuke situation yetu nayo democracy is the best form of government onali tuga ni thero iri ina price yeyo non to at times tukugana ne kuboto kuthura but karibwaga nabange bakathura babui ko still a democracy na in price to pay because shortfalls ila tunachio na nyampangara tanacho account emiru it's not about democracy ikabito ara choice ingi a form of getting rid of then it is democracy but non to embrace the new constitution na tuga katu with lijumu taratara I feel we are pace setters by the African nations. Nenguiti ya kinya onaria kerwa na ajanto palingo iboko alikane na Tanzania.
He is a serious product of democracy.
Yes,
Keda gote area democratic space you tutenge tu no tunaro wagono ore ari president by then.
Yes.
So kinyenda go to ethia nini ko ja ko cartel our rights. Ethera rimenya ko ari no opportunity nyawa ko ethera rights you na I deny it.
Yes.
Okay. At the same time, on the same note, President, the former President Uhuru Kenyatta, nethiritwe akiari muno kisiasa hii na itukuona akavia kabo kabisa because kulingana na allies barabara kwa mwana president yacharagia itona ntukuingia kikenya proposal ya kwamba Uhuru aliterwe benefit ciawe cionde no tiba kuthugani pengine no ku finance the opposition but Uhuru na kweri kwithetera tu akiwa agende na right ciakwa at least nyatha ndari direct kumaanisha nimetoka kwa siasa kana ntomba kuchangia mchango kwa kile siasa but ibu kupatera kwitha kukario because okay otegera president urore kuo we at a better place to tell because we ngona arethi nene lakini watairirwa ni mtu alikuwa anaenda kila mahali kwenye anataka na anaongea vitu zake but then ni kinonto wako hivyo kandamiza mtu ongee uro kuibwa na umupinga
one ex-chair president ya katibine uti act kana motion about suspend having a pex chair retired benefit chair president unless you katiba because they are cheeky na this is a benefit te adapavi kana kwendi kwa the regime raiku ne bachi kudro munenkera but the other again who thinks that even the retired president na wealth na resource ile na chio he really needs retired benefit apart from the staff but even assign it na security probably ila but kudro enjoy it in terms of resource the gentleman is quite na people admire the wealth irene okitu biokona kwena musikumo jo mwana jo komata kuchukua shamba hapa kuchukua kila kitu hapa ikenda trist baka wale kama wakinandira na true to be said that democracy to kuaridia everybody in a rights whether the former or the current kana anyone utubati ku discriminate anyone na right yewe ya ku associate katiba ni toete na ku freedom ku express even if the president the only thing that is still enjoy the presidency the briefing but you look at the economies irrecorrect for example the US and that Obama now still is dealing in active politics and now support mtu president na campaign boga mono the fear nene mono ni the level of desperation ireikiri the current regime nondo inaka kila miti imeteleza na the moment bakiwa the president yakora over weekend the entire week ikenda ku bash the former president ekaraja ka orea akaria na ithi mwaringite yake ekaraja ka wakamite unya mauta nkoroki atendera ko ke maana mono the only thing I feel about this regime na proxies kana sycophants by the current regime nani the senator itone tena mato mengi mono is want to appear on a daily daily nations rokiri kana daily cherokiri want to create a name out of him sometimes he taking because there is no way there is no amendment umba kudidwa together a form of a motion choko rigiria the former president those are diversionary can threat it hold water I think Wakili can mention that na imbije judge on there ikirinya kinya antiba ruto ba mwinjira na itora mumiru wogaga winerinya wirinya no tendera yako enja lakini nchama chiawe yekara jakachi kuendelea kumwekira maruru one they fear the president President Ataba support. He never supported the president, the current president. Na he has reasons, reservation chair. Na naugaga, though the last time to Arino Sagana when there was this issue, ataugire broadly auga ibitena imbi. But since he warned us, the only thing on bakudiri reminder, he's also reminding people. Niliwaona bwana na niliwaambia na hii maneno mlalia, but then the day that voice yake kuga ke niliwaona is an issue that they feel they feel threatened that if the president na yake is ako campaignera whoever becomes the next Akaswe votes na president still enjoy support in Nemono, not only in the mountain but across the country. The way president handled himself, truly, he was a state person, statesman. Even the statements, chair, when he empathizer, he was really inyaga statement. You feel it. Okay, wenyewe unasikia rais ameongea. Wenyewe hata kama kimeumana, still kinyake dote wako dhidhia, kwa wako dhidhia, you could feel like inya statement kana kinya statements chair inyaga okira kiwa issue rio. There's a way you need to address that issue. No kona na deliver that with empathy na akirumiaga mwananchi wa kawaida na tena kibuli si apigi kibuli, but sometimes tuelewa ugaderwa antokuina into sometimes ure kantabu lakini if you marshal your way na kibuli kikuingia, sometimes you tend to forget where you come from, because I feel the current regime forgot that pia they suffered na nuje the moment you tend to forget kinyanga ina kulinga kiboko ningoitikia 2027
True to his definition, let me give him credit in corner. He's a true political analyst. One of the things to tell Bakuga President Uhuru, he will be the greatest president Kenya has ever gotten. Way beyond Kibaki. Ozoka tegera president Uhuru iliong devolution ya mbiriri. Ugategera ki presidency yake kware athini nyingi. Tugategera towards the end of his presidency kware corona. And how he behaved. Nikyo kuona corona chetu itomwendete. We love that man. Two things here chico pray. One is the constitution. Constitution is guaranteed each and everyone political rights. Kinyore abungi ena political rights. Alafu kwina kasheria baekire au kakumwa intobira abatiko hewa erwa baeka condition 6 months after my office atibatiko engage in any political nini. But how do you prevent someone from kiraiki constitution? Kiaira kisheria constitution yo iguru area. Constitution iriuga political rights, it's to be enjoyed by each and every Kenyan citizen. Kenyan citizen.
Yes.
So ni atoka era mtu no kwenda koma to privilege kidogo aja to akuga nini o prevent from playing his political nini. Kairi nyalire akwaria agotofa guidance. Ndaka kura Ruto, he doesn't. Ndaigwa ari mora direct. Akobwira twete nyojo, tudithie nyojo, haja ni Kenya bati kwithira nkona kututitite bwega and to opposition, not to ni member opposition, you people unite twete ojo. Ndikuona. Then tola na ni uga. Kiendo aiba kura president Uhuru. Abo tumanto baba inge bakendelea kumena president Ruto. People antopa Mount Kenya ora kuimagine mwana ono karari rumawa ari agairo andoni ukaigwa some senators man tujaraba kwaria jawe ukarigara. These people abati kumenya tuko Ruto aka retire. Do they want kiora kajukia uambire tuambire ku disrespect Ruto no ntona retire. Kwinto geta wa norms. Norms, it forms parts of our sharias. Wategera Kibaki, despite kwithira na tesi imono mo yako retire na mwele peaceful environment. That's a norm.
Yes.
Kibaki wako retire mo Uhuru amwa a peaceful environment. Na po by the end ya go play their political role. Tutiona aba letirimana na Uhuru na Ruto Kibaki. but we gave them that peaceful environment. Kinyano ukona mdajojo wajo Kabarak. Kabarak was a public land, but Kibaki kimnania dhira karete keju. As a government they felt mdajojo tutepati kujojo kia kairi ato nenkere. Kabarak garden ye Nairobi Langata. Tunenkere mukurojo. Those are norms. Na ndo eja kuleta bad behavior which contradict the norms ira chisetetwe ke the retired president wambiria kumwagira Anthony orinsa itanto bakuba murume as the people para nara tumete turigwatea. Yani ore tomare moto koigwa taka to munti na mshare. Na ilo nkuria ethera muntu wetu na agwatakwa na nini president yo na abunge beto bakethera bakiri bate kuga we cherenga yawo kinya this is bad manners cause kinya mwana oku ura wendete akaga Anthony no mu correct ukamwira this is bad manners. That is what our MPs should do. Bokire bepo on the bogira in a statement, yes, we support President Ruto, but the attack on our president, this is okuna mianka. Yes.
Okay. Thank you so much.
But unfortunately,
but you got they are worshippers. The makiri netere. Those are people makiri chiakamaterwe. They girage tigi konori biubiao kuongeraka.
But someone said something quite profound. Yes. One MP from Belgut, ndiko rikara is Belgut urachet kamitira veta one of our own editonte kulikana anarogire nano UD said something. Hii maneno ya kusumbwana na Uhuru ni notoretera thina na dithiria mtoro nya gwenda kuthithia. Yes. Onto natawije mkoro wetu atirita inya wetu adithirwe urokeza.
By the
by extension, yes. Of course it will happen.
Yes.
Non tukiana toka 2027. 2032 akaritaya. So
and it will be more bad akaja kuma 2027. Yes. Non to akauma very expect omba utona siasa ene. So there is a very big likelihood kugamba manasi we introduce that to expand monka to kwate. It will be the first time kuona president wa Kenya despite tuije nyaba ubangi valida ya meya ende to kuga they served their term. These are people pakwa statement baketa kweta Africa to kuga no we don't want to disturb them because of ngugib service you batwerete nyadre valida te mega to kuga let's preserve that presidency. Non to tomba ko detach the fourth presidency. The fourth president non to ni office ya audit yo. So na ndo ambere okinyantu aro that level of disrespect na lera mpona bagwire Twitter leo kuko na rumors na iroba spread okwa rumors kiao Uhuru na jetwe Uhuru na kari because for them they don't even want him with the area within Kenya. Okay. And babu isha we this is a very rich wealthy person. There's a person totola motano nginoka igwa KNCBA invested 20 billion. Patiku gachio Uhuru. So hoi mtoto mba kuisha we na edra na mbeche ndago tunenkera kwa chani romba bonangi alekere kachi yako. Nije abure mpige kabwi.
Gona nanina kinyana nina really by the way Moses Wetangula na edra akimeneria Uhuru akimwira kwamba na respect style ya President William Ruto era kwethanio na mwira Moi Kibaki na respect Uhuru na Uhuru weko jukia nini we na Kibaki atamumeneri na tarisi yawe so kinyawe na respect the current president wora kinyawe respect Ron Kibaki
but you utomba kutegera ndiko the trajectory the boy
yes
atia timberotero ugo ure kurira kwa demonstrations Raila the former prime minister ugire Uhuru andingire US ampera mbeta bari ya president because this is a person akona ndiguronete boy so rira mtu to akuthithie kitu atari uri nikibati kuga mtu una thithiria bwega cause tigerie few hours ndigurwe collapse so tutige kumeneria mtu ujo Uhuru.
One thing having there's a benefit of having a retired president.
Yeah.
Because he's the only between and the Goroita dogs kadai kedore kogwa is the only person because he's sizable support obo mechokanide especially if that president served the full term na kuna connection na ndo daiji tutena baba oro naingia katikati if anything happens who do you think that can say bwana wacha is only the third president because having served for that time, you also carry weight in terms of experience on how to manage things. Like Keita Miokona still, the former president still enjoy appointments. You could know with accommodates. There's outside country kuna migogoro, nara kuna na appoint. You enjoy respect in any mono. Kuita kwa nafasi ni ndiguru nyingi na kwa point on to bokodoro is a good mediator na nakumba ku take ku ensure dikuru with an ambena boga. We don't want to experience a Kofi Annan situation whereby to requirement zamba ku karaka non to bokodoro tare mtu kutowathania kana wotoreta amwe. There's a lot of benefit having a retired president ko respect in wewe ngwe ati umba kukira no mwankana wewe ugetri aza uzo tutitete boga na of
madenaja ambuge the last point madenaja President Ruto ora abati complain jire ya murungu aromba murungu atwira we no murungu ejambetire murungu murungu no hatumira pawe aturugura metho tona oi muntu mui tomumena nenda ria kuthithia mantu charajo tumationde tukamumena akongera ogoti akauga turingwa bunduki maguru all those things uketha kwina conspiracy against him iresetetwe probably kuma murungu ne kana kwe kinini ukethera itu na kuriwa inya uhuru ntikuwe statement yawe arite jangana mtu akara mwaka kwaria rimwe so there is no big influence on the statement which uhuru akomake nkurukia mathithio jaria President Ruto engo athithetie conspiracy uketoka ni atomba gutonya kanicha kuraga kurantu ekuru. Have you ever sat down uthugania mantu jau no te action yekuthithwa in our society aranda akurukite na inyake police ugeja kuthikira ura bathithaia mwamba agatonya kanichene aitairwa akaeterwa mpaka bagetera akeja gwito badai otire gwaka katabu so meya ja Ruto self made imeya ja roeto le chithithairia jaripera kajageta jarita ya no ntwa ja punguza akojaitia na no rongerere kia kenge kwambiria kura ruru tukamonia
only got we I think but I don't know whether we too religious or to in a belief cha witikiria yeah but that's African I think to about to comprehend murungu nonto mabi minya biblia netwerete para badura nonto no to nenkaira but nyari na bisai bomita misiri after mathena jara chaye kuna bakwenda choka no ingwitikia iboko bibi nari disari mwiboko tuwachoka kona nde kiki atuchongitwe turingitwe bibilia yoko tukothoma kai play
kuna mdomo andika kanini kazuri hapa alito mase kadhure aliwa today how analyst ni wazuri sana if the government can adopt some of the ideas there we could be very far. Nimeona ni kwa bora thank you. Yes.
Hiyo ni advantage ya kuthoma na kwithira utiguri ukethira no gutumira akili ya independent.
Exactly.
Lakini wathikiro ora agayarira na thai ukona this is a complete shift from no twethira kwina progress kona mtu achokete nyuma.
Yes. Okay, katuchoke hata county ni Meru. My goodness, time is not on our side. Meru katwambiri na mantu jaje thirito cha yo muno ja ngugi. Turonde ma CEOs ibaragomete ibarari na strike ibathithiti maandamano na betite ofisi ni governor na by the way bakiari bawire they know kinya bongo ibakomenya mbeje chiwiti aria cia kubandika na promotion and all that awa lakini mantu cia takarikire because they know mbeje ukasi and divert to other projects drones and all that na kukia ruti tibonga bawite o Kinya bangi barite the same thing, bakiwa around 600 million if I'm not wrong. Isi ande vatro sieta kiri maendeleo jangi, nikio kitumia antu batiandiki mwanga tha indene county ya Meru. Ontobu twabonete kinya ki the former governor. Kinya waru tonyi kwari na thina uche kwirikana kwamba antu batiraandikwa. But at the same time, anko wata ni thina ontobu time. But at the same time, turonere governor nuna aratumirie, arariri mantu jaha na arauga kwina mtura uirite utumirite proxy bawe bageta kotini kwithira bakirungamia process iyo yonthe. The former governor nuna atumirite na akawona ndi na ndifemi no ntonerero nwe utumite antu bawe beta kurungamia mantu jaha yonthe na uana atiete mbecha na ate kumenya kinya ni kiantu batandikirwe. So bukari yatongeria ba Meru na Meru business kiri babwe. What do you think is happening? Because mtu no churio kauria, let's say maybe kinya the former governor na atumite antu, but who is in office right now? Who has those powers?
Very unfortunate. It will be very unfortunate. Kwithira mutuma aratwira civil servant atete athithe 40 achwangugi andikwa kwa thirikari kwa prison. Kwithira ati urikana hare umite akondiana baba kwandikwa, that is the most unfortunate thing to kwariria. That is very unfortunate. Second, ethra case inetete kotini. Ngavani nyati step wewe ngwete kotini aririre njanji ya mwerito thirange case yempandikiana baba, because he has that opportunity. Adi the application and a certificate abere atiri ninkuona antoaja kwi antu betu ana betu bakwaga opportunity ya kwandikwa tuthirie ni case yeje njanji nyande indicate kiumia kimo kuthikira case imo cause ethera kwina case courtin they are better way to solve ukauga case ye priority kenda twandika antu ejairi chatatu Governor Mutuma TJ atik na advisors babega kana imbi le mbere akuma kondifemu rentori au rentori no etere idea supermarket with no evidence na kethera iko are evidence the best place forum where we get evidence tayu police station that was the best forum eja ndio imbecha aketua akeja kwithira ari serve a second term case yo ikaumena judgment probably imbecha cha county government chikajuko gwita ku compensate rentori eja kairi igoro a pronounce aruga Governor Kawira no ejete ejajo kia mbecha a case court with no evidence yani kethera araugira ina clear picture akauga ibar ni atongoria ba without mentioning name it could have cured the nejeta gochikira defamation ye created to ikenda antu bara bena reputation ye kuta yo we mutangazaji etika injured withira ki mtu yo society agogutega akon ojo na thithiriona ona thitha yona so it was a tool to protect reputation ya kuta mwanadamu you made from right here dignity withira no ko enjoy dignity as a private person as a individual mtu ando eta no ntona kwenda ku inside kuwiria antu amberia ku pronounce antu janto ethira na ko defame there is a lot of mbecha nyingi apart even from ku compensate mbecha Kawira eta courtin probably agacho ai we mutuma agacho wakili ojo akarunga miru mbecha chietu ira chiringe gwita kuandika wije kanichene ara uri to maeria no ethero na liwe ya kuga jaro urenda kuga no twa gukondema no twito ukira gukondema no twi mto murungu that county government tikanicha county government you are there, it's a political office you hold a political office and you are accountable to what you say uga manto jara we na evidence ya jo ujalera nigo bare ya na example bako gwe kware unaona kanicha and we agree probably it's even fake examples but aja kinya kwethera no ko kinya at extent ro kuinja other people's reputation kinya go kuiga kinya ntuko emwe injured apart from that baraba domi baka benefit ya uno the next time no ngia get and fame so in fact na ndika bana Kawira na iji probably 20 million ikarotonya ntuko emwe
araugire nako 100 million
nanguga na in court level tuto kategera the level of defamation yeu probably 20 million ikauma tutegera keka nani kairi 20 million ikauma 20 million yomba kwandika antu mangana yomba kuthithia atate akayomba gwiteka create eka kachibitari so let him be very careful ethira getio umebokanyua alimiti kwaria.
Okay, thank you Bwana Eric. Ki the same imbi kawira ukethirwa no urungamiti kana utumite antu beta kupinga antu baandi kwa kuwa omba guthura kithithia mantu juno ntu bwa mbithai no marire kitine na tikari gitini ngavana ungi akwita na kuibona kwenda kuandikana then kawira ithirwa aina interest kari cia gutuma muntu eta kurungamia process wana batika andikwe imbia kethirwa kingini yau.
I think when we have a problem the current administration and if issue area it's quite easy to settle if they're intentional when intention to sort out and a better bandiko. I feel the current regime has it's an intention ya kuandika na this financial year. Either the scored message ya andikani kana bara message ya ngugi. It might be true non to okore niki tuanze mwisho na kethero imari na ne ari mupapa kwero ne ari mubata gazeti to bata bari na issue iskuru. I went through the application there. I did the document online. If it's true that mwalimu okara skuru from yake mingi alita hemu I sacrifice time yewe time embere agukurukerwa ejire okokera if it's true charangugwa then the government would have sat down that true ketha kuna issue je unonto kethora mwana the issue is genuine. They would have called the lawyer, but the problem you see all these details china address see wakirio o cheupe enyeka cheupe wakirio kuituje address yaku tugeta tokaredi because there is a out of court mediation. There are things we can sort out outside court but I feel this current regime has no intention. Either is buying time because of course the finances, the issue of finances there is no funds because also I remember the issuance ya barogera chero cha promotion cha ECD where wakambira kulo after June and July go is it's a budgeting that we could enjoy ibarogo nenkero lakini wirwe etera mwaka jodire to budget for it na true the other issue as at now ntiko na jaka Mheshimiwa no chances that Kawira na benefit ya because there is no way Kawira acho kwengo ofisini whether chida kiama igambala wala impeachment agetera tu tulinge kura. There is no guarantee that now in 2027 August Kawira ombochoka acho aandikana na in case inyegetho akachoka I benefit ile ku gain antoma miru balega kuitata kuandikwa. It could be true that kwa mtu ukwenda ku divert attention because the problem tokendelea karatu ibrima is 2 years down the line. It's almost 2 years na regime ile ndio mere unless thirikari ya Mutumanto I think ya still I attached more an attachment na Kawira Mwangaza na imbijigi ntukimwe mbomba kuga ikeja kuthoro tukuma ngogamba kuthoro kulemerwa ukamwa kora mchaupe blame game kenda trisi non three. Why would you blame a former governor? Now as you know the channels you can know who are they genuine cases were they left out of are they merited kuwa 3 but you don't to kava replacement na school wakiri for example name school fulani that replacement because the advertisement is a replacement. We are replacing baraba retire in that school. Now we go survey the miaka mbuge 10 you go batiko and kwethoro na retire at least it's also boy kama no go appreciate mochia mwalimu urore au not is the best way to do is not to know to area sacrifice for 7 or 10 years no ngea ku retire because you're replacing the best thing you can do is replace your kedona qualified but kedona na school na ata replaced no na imtongio eza nirwe those issues can be argued. Na if it's a genuine case, then governor would have done na team yewe. It's to reach out to the wakili.
Kana court by the
for the benefit. Lakini kujoto iranande ndo impeachment gitambo proxy. Then it doesn't make sense. It doesn't hold water.
No kona ko support any ku enforce point yeku na nditumira rieto probably ingavana move it at a court probably.
Yeah, I think it can be possible.
Yes.
Ni proxy bakawira. Kawira no akia send and to bara by Katie and Balu because na batazi the mai.
Yes.
So now, kama na kwa kinani etine attorney general county wetira mwira kuna watu wameenda
Kotini.
But
it's a public document. It's there. You know nani ni nani, unajua ni nani, rito ile au
what we do at this forum, Governor Mutuma, Governor wetu tuendete. Ana bau te ko opportunity bai kenda bomba gokiria family chiao, toro gokiria chiaku. Nethere kesi kotin wakili oku kana mawakili cha county government aja ku advise bu move on Monday bu request ko dithia mediation kenda bu andikanto. Mbejiu chia gochoka ke national government, it will be it's a negativity to nini. It a opportunity ana beto bandiko kintu kya mbere na achichokere ke nini.
I understand.
Some few months ago, in Donington committee somewhere, okay, can account a million to around I think 98 million or something. Korea Anto, not through the system,
manually,
but manually. And now you wonder who are these people? Baba kuliwa manually. Na bate andiki na hata wajulikani kila na wanafanya kazi gani.
Cut the disclosure. There is also a meeting today to quench the dust. Kubwa ameita MCA wote ntibeje na hapa ikiliembeza cha andiki. I know the issue is the government badilite mantuja na iko backfire. You see, it has backfired on blaming someone. There is a meeting currently going on for the MCAs in a government to kugeria ku settle whether we can get urato bakwara in supplementary at least bechi kuoneka chia kwa andika na kuona ni manzo ikotikia the true is era ireki as kungoja kidogo tuchwe na hata kuitambecha tugerie kugitata ko cover up. What you've said, either uro gitembecha ichi atubiro, because honestly these are things that you can easily know. Whether becha chiari arokitro, these are documents in the system. You can check and you know. Who want to go blame someone? I feel like ni fair nene mono ya thirikari ni kuona ni weakness. Either Mutuma is not in charge, or also they in bagwata ndirite kudidia mantu za zote. Yeah.
Because ndiye mketo na uga ya kwamba kanya kaka kuro kayoka chief of staff, it's kuna likelihood ya kwamba utimto gachagurwa na gavana aka appointed to be the chief of staff
substantial.
Kuna tuba banki muno barlo bete kitiki and the governor
confused.
Now I confused right now.
Yes.
Not really confused.
Exactly.
Yes.
That's why I'm confused.
Yes.
Because now they are confused.
He is not even in control. One is not in control. Two, as an Atakoba could make decision unless he consult someone running the show. I'm told also there's a name Imerusho Komeza. It's likely to be announced tomorrow. Non to pressure. Maneno. Non to withdraw. There are all promises. The thing that Mutuma is failing. Mutuma ni mtoro witikire kile kitu. Ugeta kio, for example, you will say nitafanya. He will promise you nitakupatia hii. Aje anenkere ngakunengera grasi je cheupe. Eje wakili no wanga kunengera. Eje my good friend aja wanga nengereje. Nande at the time of making a decision he is na higa. It is an hard place where I talk about to make a decision. Two, yes, Karajakai na the position alida hizi Karajaka their fathers kuna baba inkibe methene bamutagete babati umwira no bati kuthorali uju no bati kuthira ujukia no bati kujukiora na Karajaka impeachment process, the entire process Ikarajaka tariki tarimo kimiru Ikarajaka ndi kwa jakai kithina nkurukino ndo once you were in governor you're supposed to make decision kethoro uongo ni ukumba ku make decision but nande kethoro decision I make chiridu outside for you is kukarajaka nonto keja kethoro ma kinya feeling the staff around we na baraba promise tongo giba pa ingi aringiria the decision that nani amepea hii but as you've said Ima is not in control. All he has overpromised and baba ingi he feel disappointed
Oniambuge from the word go kwa antobugere we don't have crisis with the number of counties we have a crisis on the members of county assembly we are electing na governor barato ko elect because Meru from 2022 mwakadha hii there is nothing positive wirato itukuona area ke newspaper nothing kabisa completely nothing yani kila siku Meru county jareke ja kuithira jaria rairua kotiginto positive kabisa that means keba to durete bonde babati kwana kuma MCAs monka ke governor babati kwana Ontoreo gato manto basafe. Mtu akale chukuru areofaga free services no akondo opportunity ya kuandikwa urage kumwandika ikumanisha hii that ukamba kuita pronouncement imbe alafu etoka on crisis meeting ikenda bochwa na are ambeche iri antuba members ba county assembly inabare batire samona ngavana kana in charge of finance betavera becha che kuandika bantu anabari inachietire this is a pure crisis na inko gwirwa kwethera nani deep state ke county government atofida na information te utomenye maiya jarajo kalikau no gakira endelea kunja ugaki antu ikenda bamenya na yo niyo batere that's a civic duty akuya kwethera uri twira mantu tajau
okay katu jerutere ne rwa at the same time kuna Kinoru stadium idronere CC wa sports Ariaro kire au tumechukua na sasa Kinoru iko in our hands county government in fact the plans are underway sia ku move some of the departmental offices etiumba kuthurikite Kinoru na bathithaire services tioro terura then I think a day after ndona baumira ringi na mubunge wa North Imenti Raim Daud bakiwa ya kwamba ai utebithithitwe guntuku baada tutetegeri kunengerwa KNK because 900 million iraitumiri kuthithe KNK tutikona value becha hiyo from the county government 250 in fact from the county government awe tutekanire tutukiro so many things they are not there and now we can't see the value of our money so now kiurikia kwa unikirizi raja igitarina aumirite ke praise kuwa they are very okay now bakunengerwa KNK na bakambirio gitumira na ibagi kinyo ofisi monara batari begwita kiani na maybe bategera bona githa kiani kiu ki in the standard ira babatere kunengerwa because I believe maybe kithani bokwenda ku hand over kinto no mwanka before bwitikire ku hand over bwitanirie na bara babo hand over bone kila kitu iko sawa then ukiumira ke press na ukiwa kunengerwa ujue kila kitu iko sawa ama kuna mtu ana insight mwingine hapa because me I don't understand
mchezo wa town mmoja wa town ndio kiwanja kile kitumbo nyote ndio any Premier League even Kenyan Premier League kitumbo tedra keni na kila it's really dilapidated roko nya running track ugeta ku my brother ke ne ribabuka ne umire track ira yogairo nyakine ore ban bakoleta mutone still ni raumire
neraunganire jere ba to ke nya ke to ngombe na go
puru kora nyome mitone beja kuandika kenini but now the accountability aspect of it who is now accountable for this we've spent around 900 billion na no komenya 900 million na before even 900 million has been spent there was also money spent in the previous regime
county government. The previous regime the second and the third regime have spent money to
yes na to make matters worse the former PS walimu Meru or sports walimu Meru na unfortunately miakewa karite not only Mawa Stadium Tikinoru cha Tikirochi really nambechi tumirini cha taxpayers ko you don't to get the accountability part of it and you to agite atongere ba ko accountable all the departments ira to the auditors EACC na system cha go track the misappropriation resources ira to know hiyo ni thing ira tunayo county ne Meru ingine hapa ni siasa ya Nodimenti siasa ya Nodimenti na siasa ya Nodimenti
Olea sport minister no Dimenti na kwenda giti no Dimenti but ambuge atiri government communication it's done by correspondence mbere CS ojo eja kuga na kwenda kwa hand over kieni kija gitwe there must be correspondence with the national government na kwethera kwina certainty that kieni kigi ukinyata level ira to batere at least in announcement here ngikwethera better turenge cost an event there then the governor akauga nande because you have achieved to kukinya kieni kiki atujoke kieni to manage potential kieni kiu na kiu kingi kia mawa ni nene mono
sana
lenge buga towards the end of Governor Munya kana the beginning of Governor Kiraitu quick club
Tusker
kienda kuja kuusta game chia waja ndari kana Gor Mahia eja Meru yojura
yari ground Tusker
yes yari ne Gor Mahia eja kuchethera aja no ijora beja mbwembwe wera Meru tureterwe tumwari tuina tutoyi hoteli chia mbukwa beja bethira na aja kuina mira kuina lot of nini so the potential bien bio bire kadidwa ni nene
even the economy ya
Meru yokira
yes as a fan of football I enjoy ndeta keni nekiu tukashabikia team siliko and also the culture exchange because you learn the contact as well so there's a lot of benefit out of having a good stadium imagine Miake we on the since the last time we experienced Premier League
there is nothing which happens the last time kieni kiu kia host again to during President Uhuru I think Madaraka
yes
Iroki Austria
anything ya very fast yes pesa milioni 9 ikatolewa ya changande
in that state kirage kambiria ko host political rallies for the convenience of the politician to the expense of sports in our life to the expense of businesses but tegera kedri kirejete kia thai tuli ariria Africa Cup of Nation hosto in Kenya
where is our listed to be a training ground
where is our place
but now kwa assessor
yes where is our place as Kenoru Stadium to host the Africa Cup of Nation and this is one of the biggest tuliuga to kwenda kwa city how do we become a city where we don't have a stadium to host such events some things are nonsense me I don't know the substance of leaders to choose
the conversation tuko thithia tuko na at least we kitha atukuruka mkindo atutakinyeria because there are things to batikuthithia as a community as a county before even we escalate issues to kugachia the city I saw the other day there was a committee wacha tu watu wapewe kazi I agree wacha tu wakuleka kitu but in recent is that we are far mbali sana Nakuru chukueni
the city status
walisema chukueni city status
yes in fact the amount which is going to be spent we would rather look for water oje ruinge Meru tu tumbe kurima bwega there is potential of Meru turikura twera Meru it's an agricultural town Meru ikurite
land of honey and
tutuga Meru Embu ni administrative center lakini Meru ikurite monka thai it's an agricultural center. So njira iche kugira into kuma kwetu kuma nau mira ng'ombe mechiri majani chia kwa chithongome rira nando kaigwa ngari chionde nonto uje into yobe Meru very find monka Nakuru thai it will be more good njira ite kwa Isiolo mande nini Garissa yakwa nonto no kwibo bori bakwejeri gwachi na gwetu so njireu antu bara baingi bakanda divert beje ya na nda batukira to batiko dithia the effect of that round twamberia kuga atiri twakeni njira nyingi Meru ikenda biuma ende batenda you see for them they want other turi tuture twenyuma na turi na manthi twajwe tuchange tuthirie mbecha tuthine buru ikenda beja go worship angiri 5 chiri solve solution iri kutha inga konenkera ngiri 5 kinya ogwatha inga konenkera ngiri 5 chi ithine iri kwe kuchimbo solve arero kondere muntu opportunity akomba kwendia mpempewe chiringi 20 kumagie chiringi 10 muntu uwo musovere ni solution nyingi ngana lakini batiko enda they want us to be at that place talent ira twinachio no tutoyo itokwa kondo tweta ku showcase our talent in Kinoru. There is no room for that. Weta mawa ya ere swamp. Siwa system ire akawa yeterenda ivatwa itonida ya mawa stadium. Ukona rira kurete swimming pool.
Yes.
It means we are not serious. Oni kiranta gerete. Na wije constitution yetegerete moving forward I think the president should move very fast and disband county government ya Meru tuambe tukare tutena county government na which constitution is provided no likana makueni ni alideti attempt no there is nothing which is working in Meru we have MCAs barabomba kurara utukubunde toroku kienda ba impeaching governor ende batiraro tukubunda ko question niki anto batikwandikwa batiraro question nini bota CS uto uganiki ina correspondence uchirali tumonda account because you don't go pronouncing things as a CS you need to have document to show that there is an exchange nande mpira nande yes bore nikirojero mewasiro gwitia
but I feel the issue of Mewas was more of people assumed there was public participation. People assumed hii kitu ta happen to kuna kitu ta happen. There is no way tarifu iringi kirwa kutena concept kana acceptance the CEO the carrier county whether the creator accept
yes no objection
kabisa no objection there was ile kila kitu hii watu wanatuchezea akili but anyway my question kwa kiure kinene mono tinya kuongera there was kuna roji nyaru ikurukirite pipe baronga era the issue gwita kutaroje kadita na kadita ya akadirire for the first time ndona oni maika kadita kiundira tu no tugodo tumite nara but remember there was also a dam kawa agent trimiti aja iruguru aja na naitwa promise to but now the korea muchema ni joa ojojo kuongera joetani samoya ozo invited lakini ndona ni PR tu you still ask a part of the stakeholders lakini korea today atongere baba tu as my brother said the issue ira tu nani atongeria no ntore serikali nogere atombe cha kwa damu nyeri kitwagira damu yomwe at least ku support because account a city in support ya roje town ina shortage town ina ukigi yani ina shift ya kunyo roje ukanya na arua ukakarantu kuidatu honestly look at investment massive investment rekodi town is in terms of hoteliers people are investing heavily and at least enye atoroje access drainage is a problem kakoro moneno bado no antu bakunungiro sewage thai torero anda
kache oje tonya kadite na siwe yo gatonya ikaenda makianto barabeni ni antu bajua bokauga nandi
antu amonde to konya garage ntuko ingi kanyoro au still ro siwa
ni otonya kiroji
iri tonya roji ne ro kanyoro na roji ro kanyoro geta tu still tonya kaditara now affecting watu downstream na no one ekara ya concern na pia watu wakiambiwa it's like kila mtu anachapa shughuli yake
sai Ugote kuga no raige no rete kathitete na maroji bwana. Thai tukwaria. Tugatiga kwaria tukathikira atuigure kuruguma. Iroje ruingi. Roje ruru na maruke na maruke rukagwata na Sagana rukagwata na rukata na river ruke na makaigwiro raganira Garissa Tana River rugatonya Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean iko melt sinone melt na ara ku melta. Indian Ocean itikwenda irienda zero water from naja. Niki MP babetu batiko kwatana na very so close to the president Barobi nara mwito ni nyara tutetumira resources nyingi tuinjirwa damu nene
iko damu iko nara itadidwa yabati kudidwa hold water yaro kitoro becha wada akura pesa ya kumobilize na wakakule nyingine but anyway question it was
mpira at that point we at that point
nara previously to after mberenga hii ambiria ntupumite upstream naje guru urera wa narua kiumia tukoka
tukuijere Wednesday na Saturday
na oni kulema kulema na noli mete na wina ngombe na mbi
oni gutongoro byako byaregera ko perform no tubabu
yes yeah now is ibo guitetherio mbete chero na 300%
yes
na kinya
Oteru.
Another issue is the government, the county government and the national government ibo bekete registration ya go tax anto baroji watu wethera but subsidize roji kende nyari mibona roji na ndere bagekira nini wethere anto tau me wasi barere ya tax barare agethera milioni 10 okera bari chireitiria chia double ni ata me wasi kadithia takeke ajebu etia mbecha so the issue is ikuthenia mwananchi wa kawaida wethere national government nyayo through Tana River sijui ne kwenda some taxes but subsidize ikenda arimi banini na I agree with President Ruto on this. I agree with you, my president. Kenya doesn't need rain. We need water. But where are those resources to ensure that? But we that is the big question. And you didn't tell us. And it's very unfortunate to kwaria manto wa roji aja tuinda tuliga wa nini na CS wa roji. Oroji imwana wetu kanyereke ina wa nini neke ate kweja tuinira aja kana vice versa batu tu batu muinira
ate waziri kweli
bwana waziri oroji yes you are
refresh your brain
kuna mtu wetu Mutethia arua good evening sorry aruria kagita katia nanda kathiri pipeline was sold to Uganda. Where does that place us as a country? And is that not a step backward?
One of the things, security. The guru kuinto bila be so necessity kima tujau kinto kiambere ni ndio twethire tunyiririone kinto kingi kwi those infrastructure tutenda chuma from the control of the government. Itayuna ndio kiwa pipeline. Wamita from the control of the nini the Uganda. Probably Uganda no Uganda aru nyaba tutenda ku transport maguta ja Kenya. Na tutea sign agreement ni hao. So the ownership of it tiba atwe ibo. So it means Kenya na hii kirege gakareka within that pipeline kire nya kiomba ku transportwa. Inya kethere ya tukiri ta lokoro nini manini jau mangasi jau kana kirega ita. We don't have a say in that. Okay. That makes Kenya to the inferior ki antu ba Uganda. So it's very unfortunate.
Okay. Kuna mtukua
nani on that line Museveni was buying control of Radlock. Museveni was buying control and nakwenda to make decision. He also want to be making decision. Atena doesn't care whether you Kenyans will benefit, regardless he is in control for Kenya Pipeline. It was undersubscribed Kenyans because Kenyans felt it was not a good idea. Na nujikito waziri no akauma kana bakaugatine oversubscribe roe but in the president talk Uganda Museveni was really intentional. Na ikaraja kai biashara we wacha tu.
Kwa jamaa ingi.
Mtoto akitumariwa kumbe G2G ni Bonoko. Kumbe hata ifanyi kazi, hakuna kitu kama G2G. Yeah. Then kuna mtoko wetu wa Viska alosalimia my good friend Kiogora, mwambie huku bore sio mambo sio mabaya, tuko sawa, tunaendelea vizuri. Hakuna mtoto na real aliwa hiyo party ya masoko. I agree with you 100%. Hizo masoko ni waste of time. Thank you so much. Kuna mtoko wetu okay, naangalia ile tu inaleta. Okay. Arua Meru level 6 ni kipindi tu right now. Services pale Meru level 5 are so worrying. Meanwhile, Mr. Midterm must go with those Motuse songs in maternity. Okay. Then kuna mtoto wa Faith. Arua huyu gavana ako at least kuliko yule mama. Then kuna mtoko ule Areto Tesh arua wanajenga mahospitali gani na bado hata madaktari wako strike. Yeah, one of the factor because nendo wala mimina madaktari is
na batiko employ kwe roto analyze antu kwingi one of the nini doctor au atuira thai Meru au bena daktari 12 na the expected level ni almost 56 na tuina dhaka na haribathomi.
Imagine.
On that note, there are serious allegations that came out from demonstration clinic officer. Someone said, Ndoro Usapraenda Hawaiji, is he still sit at the cabinet, Mutuma? Number two, Ndoro, there's something else. They list serious allegations, which means conflict of interest, but could benefit out of it. And I hope that if the current regime is serious, you also need to address those issues because there is no way kuona service karibu kana mutungata uro utito kuchotungata ki daktari ku receive service because one dawa to teach the right quality or the right quantity is a priority because now if the people the same people are supplying ni kore meet na it was ilikuwa kwa clip they were saying. Number two, there was also an issue of tumesema ni kwa right ya kurungika anto baritembeza chia wandikitani itekuono. Those are serious allegations, and we have a responsible government. They also need to counter and issue a statement. If it's not done, then it's also important we invite ICC because ICC to investigate because we can institute as public kabisa sisi wananchi we can as well tweet it kwa sababu there are avenues we can cry out because if tukinyamaza pia if you not speak it out then tutaendelea kukandamizwa na kutumira bodho huko. But I hope that Mutuma as he says mndo murungu na mndo ngai afadhali he address that issue because once people become now conflict of interest, then we now run away from actualizing the service delivery. Untunande serikali ni custodian. Tutataka kujua is it true because the reason why serikali etikiri the supply the regulator think the appointed KEMSA who supply dawa it's because they want anyone can bring something iko harm wananchi kuitem kwa na one way of getting those supplies na medical supplies na mbi even if it's sometimes there are issues non tobacco boterite now the KEMSA decide no and of course you also have some of hospitals so na chochi tumairombecho wao non tobacco supplies. We also need to know if it's true. If it's not, then manya investigation no it either. na thirikari take responsibility. If it's true that mtu mwana ku supply, I've also heard the same people are supplying uji na hapa tu, the same wana supply
uji uhuru ama nani
hii uji ya watoto uji ya chekechea,
and there are good businesses around for those people who are politically connected.
Almost 50 million inatumiwa tu kwa hii uji kidogo imesupplyiwa. Tunaambiwa ni the same people, but I hope that if it ni ukweli then Meru tuitakene.
Okay.
Ati ambuge atire nani in few minutes. Anko ti Biblia. Biblia ni toete choices. Either to get blessings ama curses.
Yes.
Anko ila leaders babariku. If you do good things, okona blessings.
Yeah.
Jaubo kuendelea kuthithia. Trust me, kinyethero tio na ogo direct there is a lineage na Biblia ni says to the fourth lineage you may bring curses to your lineage. Whether nyabi ochwire biti enjoy with family yaku. Me anko bera itubu tuchwe ni blessings na go serve mwananchi wakawaida. Ule akwere kura. Tile yako mwananchi yako mata ile rogo cho kura. After au no monie anyway ntenda utumira au na that's
bro angore utogeta na rando gitarira ya kuriwa na generation ya dirire.
Okay.
Ndeni hapa mnalipana tu life unapigwa blow murungu ugire acha ojo Biblia. I think tuko na scripture but gitarira ya kulia murungu kulia na doje na nini hiyo sasa aliacha. Ukifanya makosa hauwezi enda na ndeni hapa tu wewe gania menya mtu edugania re atita menya
people go
pigo utapigwa kiboko nondore honestly nyoka tigirwa cheupe nyoka tigirwa ndiguro wenga kinyoka jukinto bionde nyoka mas wealthy kari ketho etichi tena anjirere kariboga not only your family not only antubara ukiwa na bakuchura na gotunya ana bana bangi utethenya go ngina peace nyoka iya bionde nyoka rawije nyoka igwa sibaro kagare gakurukiro kathwania nyoka igwa ke mami gwaku kaigwa kaharam kalingo nyoni kuruga utiona toroka ire igetho nyona antubara ba be comfortable lakini andabatu kuiroba kukwata into mono mtu akaraino ogwa mono nontu he knows where he got those na akara na no peace inginjaga
kana mtogwa tuko yagoro mtoto mara karua alitomutethia mtoto mara karua na announce na gwake kwamba akiethera akirwira gitikio president but they are it's time for women now take over na want narua wetangule nyona ugire akarwira gitikio nontu ugire na kuono tikitikio ingi atakarira mwaka thai na gagikuo president so akawa atire I have a feeling our ndio watu wanaribu kura za one term movement wache na kama jameni you have a mission to accomplish
but to mission yetu
in fact
no the only way out to kupeleka Kasongo nyumbani bado tiba tikuthena antu bairi ikeja ukurukia antu bairi still Kasongo but there is a likelihood also Kasongo would sponsor there's remember history kina Matiba and the former Kibaki na Jaramogi they decided mzee alikuwa huko wakaamua wacha niongeze ballot mtongeo moyo. What happened is that they split votes but if the united opposition bakaenda toania mtojo ukiri barikishi we need to have two people on that ballot box. Babangi joyriders bakadhe barotine but Karua support the way civic ai kinyak kile
no
contribution iko sawa he has done well but timing right now focus yetu Kasongo iron break but hata akiwa break apewa tu break kwa sababu there is a message you want to send and I feel if even if baraba kuka two term or one term there is a message we also need to send that you need to work for people
Yes.
not for yourself.
Okay.
The moment you are against the will of the people, you also need mbatiko wakanyo kana. Ugategera kitu sasa. Ugacho kedo kacho wakairi ukedoro uiche at least enyewe nyoro kai wakanya ari guitangugi. Akana igento kuira ntobeto as I finalize that comment that tukenda kuthithia tukenda kwa nthiguruji sacrifice njega. We clean them up. Kila mtu aende nyumbani, we start afresh. Okay. Hiyo watajua yenyewe kuna kitara kwa ana.
Okay.
Yes.
So in that ouga there are 2 elections to Batikonote na tokava and Vice United Opposition. Ojo kuigwa directly as state we no hunter. Mimi am on the side of the people. 1992 na 2000. 1992 the opposition was divided. Barenja Ramogi, Matiba na Kibaki nario. Oatarakura bonere.
Eningiringanirwa.
Moi onere 1.7 million. Ba batalira kura chiao bonere 2 point something million. So if they were united, Moi aringe kuma 1992.
Yes.
2000 varega kwithira vese office. Beta ba unite. Ba united. Raila uga Kibaki tosha. Everyone said Kibaki tosha. Kibaki, despite not being the really popular candidate, just supportwa aya president. Me, I'm telling them this. Please, my people, baba kuruira kitekiki o ojoga get united. Selfish ni neither I have an in power. It means if they are not united for the next 5 years, they will still not be in power. So for them to get this presidency, iba united. Na bathurwo baitere antongo gino to the danger about kuita Ruto atithirete second term tuga postpone the na age at kaire 2032 no to akethere still no arungame 2032. Yes. So tuona president baba keja benderea ujing mamantu jara tukwa sorry I almost used a bad name. Tueja tuone president ore atieja ku Twitter ngoge within that period bando the neto kwenda kuthiria tukamikia monga 2032 no probably Ruto thayu akethera na opposition so akethera aribera ibura wera opportunity tegotero tikyo barathithia so akethera popular to kuona bagashago be popular by then so ninkoromba mi maombi yangu tu na naomba tu kwa Mungu cause hata telling my people sometimes it's difficult to pay at least this time turudishe kwenye tulikuwa 2002 tuchoke a society ira tuira wa Kenya was the happiest nation ndigurune on the end to the happy nyato are ushuru tukone ibogwita kinyonde ya mbitiri nya taxi and pay as you want nyat 70% but mbidira ndeta chibitari nkona ndawa ndeja ngare ko igeta monkanja na rami ndetiriraja ndithira kwena insecurity. That is what we want.
On the flip side, oni ndithogania kinya
tunamalizia.
Yes, the issue is yakuthiro nandi the other camp iruga na agenda hawana anawasera. You see, this country hata tuhitaji mtu kutuambia utatufanyia nini, because we have sheria jiba ibui, the way to distribute resources, the way to distribute resources chibagweta sheria to inacho ndikoroje achi jacob antobe jacob backmatch naja ura ndikoroje dewo ko bazo zibatinya kuiwa mndo turatuthia barabara tuthia ndamu no
wafanye kazi
kabisa, use the rule of law, sheria itumike, kila mtu afanye kazi yake, tumira resources zori bati na ingwitikia ukario ntiguru idhore kuraza mono nonto blueprint ya Singapore ya mbiriria actually kinya sheria cha kithomo nambi it does better ugitoa Kibaki ugeta fairone tu gaitaura plan cha Kibaki na plan cha uracha cha the technocrat over bangite the same thing by implement ake, but now coming to kurazimisha nto kufanya kuitamanto niyo thina to kurea ko ithi no tuireterete ko for me honiningwa ndithugania 2027 to be about slogans. Tulianza na slogan na tunataka kumaliza na slogan. Ulituambia bottom up, si tunakuambia one time.
Okay, thank you.
Uniambire yes we ambuge otao Meru TV ndatega ndiona cionere ni mwanya mwanya jojo iduzo gutochwa twinini tutige ni ku recycle para tuthurite para bate atwitira nguge miaka 5 miaka 10 kana miaka 15 lera bakarite manto jaja kuga thandi tam ki mtu ati performance tafadhali society yore yombito ina better leaders so oni mbere kwira young people ibwega kuchumiria mbere ba the registration at least Meru I think was the 4th county in terms of the number of registration still anto ibako the registration na tugatiga kuthura tha iro kwanja maloro jabati kuendelea gwitia no ntu atiga kuthura iro tukathithia mistake ngure democracy ombirwe ikenda makosa jare othithia tha iji ojarekebisha riro kae opportunity so muthuro jo tujuka mateni monka August next year ikenda tumba kuthura abunge babeka para baga to represent tuthura ngavana mwega uria akeja ku manage resources chieto ta county government tuthure MCA bato para bakeja ku oversight nini tuthura senator mwega uria ageta ku oversight national government na county government tuthura president mwega uria agensure inya bill of right ne kwa respected anto bako baburi no tukwaria babwe ninkubuthikira na inkona support yenu ne gwetere neneaga inkuga ibwega na tukarithia makosa ozaisi kwina makosa jeje tuthithika political brokers batina nafasi ya kweta parliament abethere we brokers broko ng'ombe eta akachoa ng'ombe akendie kimurimi utire wethera broker na ng'ombe we so yakwe broker leo political broker endelea kuithera alichoaga mbeja chao chekiu agina opportunity ya guchange leaders para bomba gweta kubariria imbiji bo baruetete na bokono ore mwega na kiba ubwega imbiji ndiamu bwega
okay oni nkiugatri kujukia kura ingoge mwe na gwito miringa kia maana mone gwito ko miringa number 2 I still want to encourage barabaru zete hope in dream ya kudura kuona Kenya i better kana Meru i better na baraba bangitera ini miaka mingi na bakono bakaga baluzite hope teaza mbeta kulinga kura it's very important to exercise constitutional right yaku kweta kulinga kura nonto kule weku niye gutuma muchere juitia kana sukari ro kunywa niye tuma ukarego miringa no karego miringa still decision ika make ikadidongo na bantu bara thuku muno bara ya gwita kuliga kura ibo batara tongire bara utipui bara weta kuliga kura kwanza ni antu babega muno nonto nye talinga kura gwane ngero kira kone ngero na make decision we batukolegere kuta kulinga kura igo muntu muthuku nigwe muno utumaga atongire bara ya kuburu bara bui time is on tutumire kiongo tatumira kiu
kabisa
okay
yes. Thank you so
much.
Nekada
dinero ukena maburu buru ekwendia ndo imakosa muno kulea irio bya ntukwemwe na tuningiringira mtu atudithiria ntikuru ekethari better for all of us yes
okay
thank you very much nimeshukuru sana for the opportunity.
You're much welcome. Yeah. Akona mtugutu Alex, Arua the show is going very well. Akawa thank the panelists. Our governor needs advice in terms of addressing and to use good word to avoid misuse of the county resources. Okay, ibwega sana Alex. Kata dirikiri nao, dirikiri ibwega sana mtugutu remo nani, kinyabeka kumaka itakara tuambiririe. Wankato mbakuda tukidirikiri, thank you so much. Kudrogetu atambaru team SMS, ivotumete SMS, thank you so much. Facebook, thank you so much. Kebara pondeba kuwatanirite na batu, lakini babu, thank you so much.
Asante sana.
Komba kwithira bukiariria Ameru na kuberesera jara bati kumenya bakomba kudabwe bamenye na create awareness. By the way, nimependa sana show ya leo by the way, non itena gituma but in a point ila uoko ni dikomenya ulikiri na mutegerio Meru TV na ila chumba utethia in live. Kwa hivyo thank you so much. Mwankira ntukwero hata trimana kaire kire ruterero akameme Dere FM kumarukiri thaa 12 mwanka kithaa kia thaa 4 mbeta njeri wa cheupe tona nitukwingi Ramadhani akenda.
Ngagwe uri mu Kenya muchiacha na nukuria ni kiama kiriko ugatonya gukinyaniria kiroto giaku gichiacha nandi kiama kia nopeo ni kirugurite mirango yakio ni undu bwaku nandi no uchiandikithie no gatuika mukiama wa nopeo uri muchigo waku dial *509# na uthingatire uria umba guchiandikithia ta mukiama wa nopeo kana guchiembiria kiamene kiria uri na gitio kugweria nkoroki no uchiandikithie gukorokera eCitizen kana kiri political party portal gukorokera www.ipms.orpp.or.ke kiama kia nopeo nikio gitongeretie Meru na Kenya ngima chiandikithie narua ta mumemba kiama toriuga nopeo tupande ngazi pamoja. Karibu Embu College, mahali vipaji vinageuka kuwa taaluma. Hapa tunakuandaa kuwa mtaalamu mwenye ujuzi unaotafutwa duniani leo. Kosi zetu ni pamoja na biashara na uhasibu, kupata msingi imara wa dunia ya fedha na biashara, uandishi, kujenga, kubuni na kuunda suluhisho za kifundi, ususi na urembo kwa ubunifu unaogusa maisha na kuongeza uelendi, upishi, kuleta ujuzi wa mapishi ya kitaalamu na ladha zinazovutia, usimamizi wa utalii, kukuandaa kwa fursa katika sekta ya utalii na huduma, sayansi ya kompyuta na tehema ambapo teknolojia ya kesho inaanza leo, elimu ya udhibiti wa uhalifu, kuchangia usalama na ustawi wa jamii, mhudumu wa afya, wahudumia wengine kwa uelendi na huruma, udereva kwa ujuzi salama na wa kuaminika barabarani. Chagua Embu College. Safari yako ya mafanikio inaanza na hatua moja. Jiunge nasi leo, ututembelee katika mitandao ya kijamii Facebook, Instagram na TikTok ni @Embu College. Embu College, skills to go places.
koga tetheka na gita rya kuria kubwari kurikio kinya ijau igurira bikibiki ya muthemba jo mwega jwa Captain o amwe na muthemba jwa Tiger nitwe endie ba bikibiki iria chitagia kibali jeka ikwina ma batu twetherwo ndene